So anyone worrying about the current market uncertainty or else like the fuel price hike, gold price hike, and stating like from the PM like don't invest on the gold or something. Anyone are worrying about how it will be impact on a Indian IT market also, like expecting like a work from home. Anyone guys have a questions on this topic? Because it's from last 3 4 days there is a lot much of political geopolitical news is happening in Indian market and China and US visits. The Trump came went to the China, right? So anyone have an idea like what happening here? It will be benefit to India or else it's more loss to India. Anyone have idea on this? No, no idea. Mostly it's an manufacturing point of view. There is may some loss for an Indian market, but IT point of view, there is some more good news because of this alliance. Alliance in the sense, if really it's work out what they are discussed yesterday with the China and India, it's not about only Trump went. There are a large money, big companies, CEOs went there, including Tim Cook and Elon Musk and lot much big companies CEOs also went to the China to discuss something to be related to the business. So their intention to introduce Tesla in the China market and all their American companies products. Example out of that one company is the Cargill where I worked in a Cargill long back. That Cargill company head also went there. It is mostly into the agri products. Even they want to export these agri products also to the China, particularly soybean. It's identified and Tesla point of view, there is some discussion is happening because similar kind of cars manufactured already there in the China. So they, from that point of view, there is some news is happening. It may some ways it's a positive, some ways negative for an Indian market sector. So anyone have idea on this topic, guys? Anyone? Your point of view? Looks like no one interested about these things. Huh?
Yeah,
Hmm.
it's fine.
Yeah, just I want to discuss these topics. Anyway, we have a 9 more minutes time, right? So that's the reason, guys. Anyone have an idea on this? Like anyone declared as a work from home in our office completely? Anyone? Or else they are not at all started discussing on this. Any company like a completely I made it like you can do work from home tomorrow onwards or something.
From my side, they're normally discussing, but it's not mandated yet.
Mm-hmm. Okay. No, no. Did they started discussing about that?
Generally, employees are discussing.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
From
yeah,
management, there is no discussions, right?
no discussion still.
Okay. So from one or two companies, I heard like it's maybe work from home, but they should be within 40 to 60-kilometer radius from the headquarters. So nowadays
Mhm.
they are tracking even their geolocation also, right? I heard that from the laptops.
Uh, Really. Mhm.
In US market, it is there. Actually, previously my friend used to come here and stay 2 months by doing work from home without leaves. But this time he was not able to do. They are geotagging. If he was not in the in the US, so there is a threat for a job. So that's the reason they are taking completely leave. Earlier he used to say only 20 days is a holiday or 30 days holiday. Another 30 days he used to do work from home. By convincing them, I am in US. But
Mhm.
this time it's not happened in the last year. He taken only as a leaves only. The similar kind of I had just an half an hour back only with one of employee, and they said it's maybe work from home they can start soon, but still they can't go to their hometowns. It should be within 40-kilometer radius from their headquarters. They are tracking their location also.
Okay. Okay, let's wait 7 more minutes.
Yes,
Meanwhile,
yes.
you can ask if you have any doubts or anything, what we are going to discuss, everything.
Mhm. Saida, Sai Krishna, Raju, Raghavendra, Prem Prakash. Maybe people may join till 10, 5, 10, 10. So as per
Okay.
Indian standard rules, timing
Yeah.
rules. But it's good at least most of the people join 10 minutes prior only. I'm
Mm.
happy for you guys.
Things can be done. True or not? One of my favorite sentences or
Yeah, hi
quotations is
Kajal, you
by
have
Neil
anything
Marie Folio, who says,
to ask questions, anything before
"All
session?
it
Any even any
clarity
other
that
questions also, like you have any concerns or doubts about the market, current IT situations, jobs, AI will really replace
how you turn
you.
it into
Any of these questions you can ask me.
a chatbot. You're realizing the formula of finding your passion. ELP, learn, practice. Explore, learn, practice. Superb, love that. Hi guys, I'm Anisha from
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you,
When
Kajal. Could you please check it? Mike.
Manisha came to me the first time, she was so ultra confused.
There's
With
some
this
video is
girl, the
playing up.
problem was not which one is it? Because she's like a diamond with so many.
Kajal, you are able to unmute yourself. If you don't have any questions, guys, if anyone have a questions, doubts, you can ask me for next 5 minutes. Okay. And hi,
Hey,
Jayant.
hey, hi. I'm the mentor today.
Yeah,
Just wanted to show
we are not
face.
able to hear you. It looks like it's an unmute, or else maybe it's connected to your headphone. Something. Check it.
You're not able to hear you? Hello?
Yeah, it's better, Jayant. No. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm.
Cool. Hey, hi guys. I'm the mentor today. I just wanted to show my face like
Yeah,
yeah.
it's stuck. It seems, Jayant. Your screen is stuck. Can you check it again?
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Mhm. 1 second.
Yeah. Guys, am I visible and audible, right? Ashok, data aspirants. So if possible, you can make it your real name, guys. It will be easy for me to pronounce and connect with you. Kajal
S-
Karthik. Is it visible and audible is clean, right, from my side?
yeah,
Yes.
you are clean.
Okay, okay, okay,
So
great.
from my side, there is a problem.
Yes, earlier, but we can reopen again. You can open the cam and we'll check it.
Is it fine? I have opened the cam now.
No, not yet.
Yeah, I can see you, Jan.
Okay.
Okay.
Then,
My voice is clear,
then,
right?
yes, yes,
Yes.
Okay. For everyone, it's clear, right? Okay.
yes, yes.
Yeah, then fine. Okay. Basically, I thought of to discuss about 15 plus AI tools, like, but I noted a lot of things today. Uh, for sure, you will enjoy the session. By the end of this session, like we planned for 2 hours actually. Uh, we can give some time for Q&A as well. You can ask any questions that you have. Uh, for sure, by the end of this session, you will get more confidence, like how to use the AI, how to use AI for everything, like for from creation of the resume to creation of the job, creating portfolios, everything that I'm going to discuss here. So for sure, you will get the confidence. I know that 2 hours is a very big time. I will not make a single minute of your time as well because I know the value of time. Uh, at any minute, if we are feeling bored, right? Immediately I will try to switch the topic and I will try to make it more interactive. Uh, yeah, for sure you will enjoy the session. Let's wait just 7 more minutes because till 10:05 we can wait. After that we can start it.
Someone saying like a video and audio is not matching. Check it once. And guys, everything is fine from Jayant's side. You are able to see him, right? Let me check.
Okay, so still then I will rejoin it if you want.
Veera, I guess it's fine for me, Jayant. It's good. Veera, check it your bandwidth maybe. I can able to see him.
Can someone confirm like if that is the issue, then I can restart my system and
Yeah,
join
no,
immediately.
it looks good. I guess I got a thumbs up from Nikhil.
Able to
Actually,
see you at this time.
Jayant, yeah, sometimes we can see, sometimes it matches with the video and audio, but sometimes it has some
Okay,
issues.
just give me 1 more minute. I will restart my system and join it. Okay. Okay.
That's fine,
I,
Jayant.
I
Yeah,
think
I,
it's fine, Jayant.
Mhm.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah. एंड काजल यस हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं बट अभी सेशन का इंग्लिश में कंप्लीट करेंगे बाद में हिंदी में आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ हिंदी में भी एंड अभी एडवांटेज क्या है ना ये सेशन रिकॉर्ड होने के बाद मे बी मैक्स में 24 आवर्स में ये सेशन ऑटोमेटिकली हिंदी में भी कन्वर्ट होता है आपका लोकल लैंग्वेज में हिंदी तो नहीं है तो इंग्लिश में भी ठीक है ना आप हिंदी में भी और एक बार सुना सकते हैं ऐसा पूरा सेशन हिंदी इंग्लिश एंड मैक्सिमम लैंग्वेज इट्स ऑटो डबिंग नाउअडेज सो मैं ये सेशन में यूट्यूब पे भी लाइव कर रहा हूँ आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं हिंदी पे मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ बाद में पूरा सेशन आप हिंदी में भी सुन सकते हैं और एक बार ठीक है ना जी आई एम नॉट श्योर माई हिंदी इज दैट मच परफेक्ट बट ट्राई कर रहा हूँ आपसे बात करने के लिए ओके and anyone from Karnataka yes I can able to speak Kannada and learning Tamil and Marathi now. Okay. So you guys are learning Java, Python, .NET. So my job to learn in different local languages.
Is this session is shared, the recorded one?
Yes, yes. We will share
Uh,
record and it's already available in our application also. And I will share in a both ways, like in a YouTube record and even within the application also, you can able to watch the record. I will share you
okay,
after the session. But try to interact during the live so that you can able to ask any questions with the mentor directly. Okay.
sure.
Hey, good
Thank you.
morning, Mahesh. Good morning, Kalyan.
Hi. Hi.
Good morning.
Hi, Bona. Anyone fresh graduates, guys? Recently passed out in 2026? Anyone fresh graduates? You can raise your hands. Don't assume like a only for the experienced or else like who are looking for a only job. So even in a business perspective also AI can help. Yes जी काजल आपको मिलेगा रिकॉर्डिंग भी. Yeah. Any more questions before class, before session, guys? Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Like you can maybe we can start in a 1 or 2 minutes. Jayant.
Many people are joining. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this session. As I told, right, I will not waste you a single minute of time. For sure, we can make use this of session. Um, I'm using two screens, okay? For sharing my screen, I'm using different one. It's fine. Um, yeah, I hope you are able to see my screen. So let me check how many people. Yeah, we have 104 members now. Probably we can start now. Already 10:04 now. Okay. Uh, First of all, my name is Jayant. Okay. Uh, Currently, I am working in the ServiceNow company as a senior front-end developer, like working on this full stack developer. Yeah. First of all, I just need to tell, like, this KSR Data Vision has reached out to me to conduct a free session for their students. At the time, I told, like, okay, I will invite my Instagram followers as well, so they will also get use this session. Uh, yeah, that's why we have conducted this session. First of all, I have to thank KSR Data Vision. So actually, we don't have a relation earlier. So at the time that they have reached out to me, so they told, like, what are the commitments that they have, how they are following. So that's why I liked everything. So that's why when they requested, so I immediately said okay to conduct this session. So this is not going to be any paid session or for anyone. It's a free session. But for sure, like, generally people will feel like, okay, free session doesn't contain anything. That's why they will do the free sessions, right? But yeah, it's not going to be like that. Uh, for sure, you will feel it like a more than premium session. Yeah, so to tell about this case at Data Vision, why I connected with them is that they already trained like more than uh, 10,000 students, I think. So they have online training now. They are coming to offline training as well. They used to train on AI, ML, and everything like related to data. Now they are coming to every domain. So they are planning to start in Hyderabad as well. Already started actually. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So let's start. You're able to see my screen. For you guys to make it more interactive, right? I created one website completely, like what are the resources that I wanted to discuss. So I will share you this resource as well with you at the end of the session. I wanted to discuss 15 AI tools, but when I did the exploration, I found a lot of tools. Um so if you see here, this is a website that I created to showcase, like, what are the tools that I wanted to discuss with you throughout the session. Um, First of all, I will tell you, like, this session is like not only about the AI tools. From the generally at the end of the session, everyone wanted the help of job. Okay, so to you need a help to get the job. So that's why we will start with from creation of the resume, uh, how to apply the jobs, how to create a LinkedIn profile, how to update your GitHub profile, how can you write articles in Medium. So these are all really helpful. So to give introduction about me, right? So I am a front-end developer, as I told. So if I go to my LinkedIn, right, I generally use it to post it on the LinkedIn. And I am Medium writer. Okay. So I have a 6,000 followers in the Medium, where I wrote like almost 80 to 90 articles there. If I go to my profile, right? Okay. So once again, let me go to the stories. So you can see I published 89 articles. Basically, in India, uh, Medium is also paid one. So you will get some amount if you write an articles. If people are watching, reading your articles, you will get some amount. Uh, Actually, I got the payments as well. Why I am telling this, because you can also earn some amounts. Okay, if you wanted to write an articles, like you can see some articles like $64 that I got it actually earlier. Now I am not actively writing it, but yeah, this is the one way of you will get the income as well if you write a proper articles, if you get a more followers, right? So it will be also useful. That's why I specifically mentioned, like, you can write a Medium articles as well. Yeah. So as a developer, why I need all these things? As a fresher or an experience, why I need all these things, right? So one thing I will tell you, like, when everyone will has to go for the interview. Whenever you go for the interview, the first question that they will ask is, tell me about yourself. At the time, if you are a fresher, you will tell, like, okay, my name is Jayant. I have studied in this college, I have this much of percentage or CGPA. What else you have? So maybe you did one project or something that you will tell. It's done. Next candidate will come, they will also say the same. So what is the difference between you and other people, right? That difference you need to create it. That's why whenever if I am going to the interview, first 10 to 15 minutes, these discussions only will happen. Like not only these things, actually, I will show a lot of things to him. Like I'm a front-end developer. I am actively posting on the LinkedIn. I am an actively developing the lot of freelancing projects or anything in the GitHub. See my GitHub profile and also see my Medium. I have a 6,000 followers. They definitely understand. Okay, he is very passionate about the programming, and also I will tell like. I have an YouTube channel. I have a 3,000 followers there. I have an Instagram. There is 30,000 followers are there. Like these are all the stats that will make them very engaging. Like they will also feel like okay, he's very passionate about the programming. So the discussions will start in that aspect instead of you are saying like my name is these all the things, right? These are all rubbish, to be honest. So nowadays, after the AI is coming into the market, the market was changed completely. The way they are taking the interviews is different now. The way they are asking the questions is different now. You have to be completely special, better than other candidates. Otherwise, you are not going to select in the interviews. That's why these are all the things that you can create it manually. But what I will show here is by using the AI fully. I mean, I don't know. Few people are already using the AI very well. If you know whatever I'm showing it, right, please stay on that. Maybe new topics will come for you. That is where we will start it actually. If you are going for a job, the first thing that everyone needed is the resume. Okay. So for that resume, how can you create the resume? Uh, like creating in the Word or like, what else we have. So generally we'll create in the Word and we'll convert it into the PDF. That days are gone, man, to be honest. Or else like, someone will share the resume, you will edit some parts and that is also gone actually. So you have a LinkedIn profile, right? So first of all, if you go to the LinkedIn, generally everyone has a LinkedIn. If you have that, right? So if you go to the resources, one second, let me refresh it. If I go to the resources, you will be able to download whatever you have it in the LinkedIn profile. Okay. So we'll start from creation of the resume to jobs, how to apply the jobs, everything with the AI. Okay. Everything with the AI. So you have your LinkedIn profile is this one, right? So what you can do is, I have a Claude paid membership anyway. Even in the free one also, you can able to create this resume. So let's go. I have this Claude. This one also I will come later, like, how many ways you can use Claude, everything that I will come. So if you go here, I will select my, whatever the resume that I have download, whatever the profile that I downloaded, right? So yeah. So I'm writing a prompt to generate. Sorry.
Jayant, you carry used to be.
Okay.
There are
Okay. Okay. So what I'm doing is, right, I'm just asking, I've shared my profile. So I have asked them to create a latex code. Actually, latex code is nothing but how you see HTML, right? That is also one format actually. So it will give you, based on your LinkedIn profile, it will give you the latex code. That code you need to take it, and if you go to this Overleaf, there is a website. If you go for Overleaf, right? This is a website. This is the latex editor. It will support the latex editor. You can just log in with Google. And create a new project. You can start a blank project. Okay, so this is the latex code actually. Whatever you Claude is giving us, right? If you paste the code here, automatically the resume will come. You can edit it here if you want. Like that, it will be. So, but let's wait here to see. Probably it has given all. Okay, it only created the resume instead of latex code. Okay, so if you see, right, I mean, instead of we are going to latex code, it is only giving it, but we can ask it specifically like, okay, where is this latex? 1 second, let me check it. Okay, this is the latex code. If you copy this, right, the only benefit that you will get it here is if you see here, if you paste it now and recompile it, you can see your resume is ready. Based on your LinkedIn profile, it has created ATS friendly resume. This is the general format that we should follow, because if you are going for fancy resumes, that ATS might not be able to parse it. So ATS is nothing but applicant tracking system. So whenever you upload some resume, initially it should parse through the ATS, because for a single job, many people are applying. Like they cannot review every resume manually, right? That's why ATS will review will resume. This is how like you can create your resume. So always go with the single page or 2-page resume. Don't go more than that. And if you wanted to edit it here, write something, you can edit it here. Like, you can see there will be, but it will be hard to edit it here, but you can see here. So name or anything, right? So something, if you type it and if you recompile it, you will be able to edit it. Like that, your resume is very easy to create now. This is one way of creating your resume. I'm just telling that is a free way. So there is another way, like, you have already your LinkedIn profile, right? So copy this LinkedIn profile. So if you go to this website, okay, navigator247.com, and whenever you go here in the dashboard, create resume, import from LinkedIn. Okay, so what you can do is you can just paste your LinkedIn URL here, profile URL. So what it will do is it will fetch your profile information, and it will create the resume for you based on whatever the LinkedIn profile that you have, right? So it will create the resume for you. This is the second way of creating your resume. So all these things that I'm telling, like, these are the easy ways that you can create a resume. You can see. So whatever the information that it has in LinkedIn, it is fetching it actually. So if you see professional summary, skills, everything that you are able to do it, right? So this is another way of creating the resume. Okay. So if you don't like it, if you wanted to enhance it more, what you can do is you have a more ways to enhance it actually. So you can see here, for example, this summary is a little bit bigger, right? If you go to the AI chart editor and you can ask it like polish the summary, you can see it will make the summary polished, because this is very big summary, right? So we need to make it as 3 to 4 lines only. That will be very good. You can see. So how it is changing it. So if you wanted to change the skills, everything, right, it is going to change. This is the AI editor, so it is going to help you. So this is the second way of creating your resume. And also you can switch the resumes here. You can change the resume, switch template, template, right? So there are a lot of templates which are available here. You can able to change it. So automatically it should work here. Okay. So like that, you will be able to import your resume. Before that, you need to save it. Then only it will come up. But yeah, so this is the second way of creating your resume. Just LinkedIn profile, and you're able to create your resume. Or else you can go to ChatGPT, and that is also will help you. So creation of the resume is very easy now. I have taken almost 7-8 minutes for creation of the resume. I have showed 2 ways to do. So there are a lot of ways to do it. Not only this, there are a lot of ways to do it. This is the easy way that I told. Now what we need to do is, you have a resume. How can you apply for the jobs? Now you have used AI in both the things to creation of the
Jane,
resume.
sorry to stop you. Can you share that links in the same chat itself for the reference? Because
Yeah.
Yes, we
in
will
the
share all
recording
the
it's not.
links, guys. Like what are the tools we are using today? Everything we will share.
Yeah.
With you. Yeah.
Everything I will share it as a complete document. You can use it. Okay. So
Great,
because
thanks.
I'm going to discuss almost 30 to 40 tools if time permits. Okay. So everything you cannot note down. I will share you the link completely. Okay. So like this, it is going to help you guys. There are a lot of templates which are there here. You'll be able to choose any template that you want, and you can create your resume. So this is going to help you. So for the creation of the resume, and yeah, to be I can show it here. Only lot of options are there. You can upload your existing resume, resume writer. A lot of options are there. You can check the ATS score and everything. So that is also will be there here. Now you created your resume. What you need to do is you have to apply for the jobs. That is the main thing. Finally, everyone goal is to get the job, right? How can you get the job? Now everyone is worrying about like, oh, AI is coming up, like people are not getting the jobs. That's not the truth. Every time if some transition is happening, there's some struggle will be there. The 2008, there is a crash was happened. At the time, people thought like IT was gone, people will not get the jobs like that. From there onwards, like IT was really good. It was up. In the COVID time again, like there was some transition was happened. Like some change will happen every 5-10 years like that. So this is also that phase. Okay, at this time you don't need to be worried. But yeah, worry means like what whoever the people has a job, they will not worry. Whoever people don't have a job, they definitely worry. But the thing that I will say is, right, during hard time you have to learn the skills. That is the only thing that will survive you. If I ask you, like, I have one job now, we have in this session almost 144 people. I'm asking for a front end developer. You have everyone submitted your resume. I will ask you like, what is the special in you, right? Generally, I cannot take the interview for 144 people, right? I can ask you like, what is the special in you? That's why you have to do something different than everyone, right? So that's why that is the difference. Now it is happening. Maybe in 1 or 2 years, it is going to settle down, because not 1 or 2 years, maybe in another 1 year, everyone is not actively hiring, because they are thinking like, okay, during this transition, what is going to happen? So is it market is going to up or down? There is a little confusion between the people. But the only thing that you can keep in mind is there is a Vercel company, right? So Vercel is the place where you can deploy your applications. Actually, you can deploy your front end application. I will show you it anyway. Front end applications or back end applications. This CEO told that people are thinking that because of AI, jobs will go, but that is not going to happen, because now everything will get digitalized. Like every small shops, restaurants, everything, right? During this AI transition, now creating the applications or anything is easy. The only thing that you need to take care is, how you are using the AI. That is the only thing. So now currently, if you see in the India, many things are not digitalized. Still people are writing in the books, people are writing in small Excel sheets, Google sheets, something they are doing it, right? So all these things going to change, and everything will make it as a dynamic applications like that. So that is one thing that he told. And also there is a Amazon CEO that what he told is, right, freshers are feeling like they will not get hired, but it is not going to happen. There is a 1 year break, it will happen, because if companies will not hire the freshers, how this pipeline will go? For example, my seniors are doing the job. After that, I got a job, and after that, my juniors also got the job. Like that, the chain is happening. The pipeline is going on. If freshers are not get hired, we will get retired. Who will work on this? Okay, so who will work on this IT? So these are the things that these are the real facts actually that they are telling actually. Okay, so yeah, but no one is still clear on this. I will tell you one more example that my CEO told me. Like my company CEO told that the many people are asking in the company like, okay, so AI is coming up, the layoffs are going on, like what all the things they're asking, right? So he told me one thing. In the earlier days, right, if you wanted to make the furniture, generally people will do manually, like, for making one furniture, many people will sit and they are doing it manually. So that will take 10-15 days for creating one small chair or something. So at the time, missions are came up. Okay, so when missions are came up, everyone felt that okay, missions are doing a 15 days job into one day. So definitely our jobs will go, what we can do. So, but what happened is, right, everyone bought emissions and they established their own shops and they are giving the employments for few more people. And that way the productivity was improved. They are delivering more chairs and more things to everyone. So the market is going good at the time. Again, big industries came up. They are making in hours, actually. Hours, they are making chairs and everything, all the furniture, all the things. So at the time, these small shops are felt that, okay, no one will come to us, our jobs will go, so only big companies will survive, right? No, that is not happened. Like there are a lot of branches was happened. Like, they need to do the marketing, they need to establish the shops everywhere. They are giving the employment to many people. So in every phase, people will suffer during the transition. So that transition is now. Be aware of it, and you need to stick with that. But yeah, so I'm just telling these things to make you feel better in this crisis. But yeah, once you created a resume, how can you apply for the job, right? If you are still applying the jobs, like generally what you guys will do, right? You, not you, me also. Earlier, like I will upload the resume in the Naukri, or I will make the in the LinkedIn profile. I'm open to work. To be honest, if you go and see in the LinkedIn, I mean, millions of people are open to work now. Whom should I hire? So companies comes to employees, those days are gone. You have to approach them. You have to approach them everywhere, like LinkedIn, Naukri, all the portals. You have to apply them. Okay, so if you apply it, then you will get a chance. Actually, if you apply 100 positions, at least one call you will get it, right? If you are not applying, like you are thinking like they will come to us, it is not going to happen. What you can do is, I will tell you a few simple ways. Um, as I told, I have a Clade Chrome extension, right? Okay. So, for example, I wanted to apply for the these jobs, okay, front end developer jobs or full stack developer jobs, okay. So this is the Clade Chrome extension. You can also install it, but it is a paid one. To be honest, I will tell you why we need to pay for this. Pay this as well. Clade Chrome extension. You can just download it. Okay, this is the Chrome extension. Chrome extension will get added here. Once you downloaded it, if you click on this one, okay, it was open in the LinkedIn, right? What I'm asking is, instead of I am applying for the jobs, generally to apply the jobs, what I will do is I will go here and I have to search here like what exactly my role that I'm applying, everything, right? So instead of that, I will ask Clade to do it. Clade will apply the every job for you. So every day you can put a target like I have to apply for the 100 jobs from the LinkedIn, Naukri, everything that it will do. So I will show you for one job, okay? So I am full stack developer. Apply the jobs. I have opened the LinkedIn here. Please filter out the jobs for me. You can see I'm just asking in normal way, okay? So generally, if I have some time, right, I will write a better prompt, okay? So I'm approving the plan. So you can see it is going to search instead of you, right? Instead of you are applying for the filters, you can see it took the control of my LinkedIn profile. It is going to, you can see how it is searching. I'm not controlling the mouse, okay? So that is searching here. So it type the full stack developer. It will apply the filters as well. So generally, you need to apply for the jobs which are posted less than 24 hours, because already if it is posted 2 to 3 days back, like many people should apply already. You can see it was applied, right? It is telling like, okay, the search results are 99 plus, date posted 24 hours. What it is asking is, as I also noticed, preparing PDF. Okay, so what I'm asking is, can you make the date posted as past? Oh, it is already date? No, it's not date, right? Okay, so date posted as past, this one 24 hours, experience level as senior. You can also do it, but yeah, I'm asking Claudia to do it because it has a complete context that it will apply the jobs actually. Now you can see senior. The next thing is a lot of things, employee type, full time. If you tell that all these things in the initial thing only, it will do all these things. Okay, now you can see it will filter out all these things for you. After that, I will ask Claude only to do the apply as well. You can see how it is applying it. So it's not a magic actually. What it will do is it will take the screenshot of it and it will understand that what they need to apply it, and you can see past 24 it was applied. Because many people don't know how to apply the filters and everything, like to filter out the jobs that they wanted. Also, it will be difficult for them. That is also one major problem for us. Okay, now it applied the filters, right? I will ask that only to apply the jobs. I will ask only one job, but if you ask and you have a paid membership, what you can do is you can ask, you can apply 100 jobs. I will just see whenever I feel it it is not appropriate, I will stop the Claude promotion. You just need to click on this. So what it will do is it will go to the LinkedIn and it will apply all the jobs what are based on this. So stick with this. From tomorrow onwards, if you are looking for a job, open the Claude every day morning. Whatever the jobs which are posted on the LinkedIn past 24 hours, apply the jobs. Every day, 100 jobs you can apply. If you get one call, that is going to change your life. So this is one way of applying it, right? Okay, Jayan, this is one way, anyway, I have to go to the Claude and I need to tell that. So again, if I want something, Naukri, I have to go there, right? So instead of that, what I can say is, even KSR Data Vision is also planning they are putting one job site there. So what it will do is, if you upload your resume, you will see the links of Naukri and LinkedIn, all these things. If you click on that, automatically the filters will get applied. So the KSR Data Vision is also planning that, so that whoever is joined KSR Data Vision, they also get benefited. Like they are planning to apply the job on behalf of you, and they will help you in that way. But yeah, I will tell you this website, right? So if you go to this website, the same website that navigator247.com, if you go to click on find jobs, right? If you click on create new search, right? You can ask it like upload new, whatever. If you have a resume, you just click on the resume. This is my resume, right? Okay, I opened it and create a search here. So you can see what it did is, right, it took the, in my profile, it took the senior full stack, it extracted all these things. So I put it as city as Bangalore and India and any experience anytime that it took. So you can see if I click on this LinkedIn, right, what it will do is it automatically filtered out all the jobs based on that actually. You can see remote job, not remote. Okay, it took remote from probably in my resume, correctly not noted, but somehow you can see all these filters are not applied already. You have a jobs are filtered out. If you see Naukri, if you go Naukri, where is this Naukri? If you click on it, right, you can see it's already filtered out for senior full stack developer. If you go for Google Jobs, it will also filter out you many jobs based on that. And if you go for Indeed, it will already filtered out. And verify it. So this will also show the jobs. Next, Glassdoor, you can click on Glassdoor. It will show you all the jobs which are related to senior full stack developer. These are all jobs for you only, right? So the only thing that you need to do is, these are the remote jobs actually. Somehow it took the remote from the resume. But yeah, if you have a resume, you can change it here as well. So you see, right? Any experience? Okay, fine. Where it is this remote filter somehow, yeah. But yeah, if you click on this, right, it automatically give you the job links. You can try to apply the jobs every day. That is going to help you. So these are the easy ways that you can find out the jobs. The only thing that you need to do is, if you don't have a Claude membership also, you can apply it manually for now. Okay. So we are planning to create one Chrome extension. What it will do is, if you are in a particular job, for example, it has to fill out. The main problem to fill the jobs is sometimes it will ask many details. people are tired with the applying, typing all these details, right? We are planning of creating one Chrome extension. So if you use that Chrome extension, right, it automatically fill all the details when you open the job. Just you need to click on a button, it automatically fill all the job, all the details. So you just need to click on apply only. You just need to upload your resume because that was in your desktop. It is not allowing to a Chrome extension to do, but remaining things it automatically do. So by that way, applying the 100 jobs a day is not a matter. If you are applying manually, even you are not able to apply 50 also. So that is also one more thing that you can do. So by these ways, you're able to you already created a resume. Now you are ready to apply the job. Okay, so with the Chrome extension that you can do it. But after you apply for the job, someone will someone or like from that company or someone else will come to your LinkedIn profile and they will ask you, they will see your LinkedIn profile, what are the things which are there, like he's active or something, right? So if I go to my LinkedIn profile, so this is my LinkedIn profile, right? How can I have updated this with also Clade, but you also make sure your LinkedIn profile should be good, right? How can you do that? For that also I will use the Clade, because not only Clade, like if you have any membership now, ChatGPT they release one Chrome extension that is also doing the same job, and also there is a Comet browser. This was created by Perplexity. So here also you can use this Perplexity, but it is also asking paid to apply all these things. But this is also doing it. If you want anything, you can buy it. This is also doing it. But think about it, like you are very serious and you are applying for the job, $17 or some $20 doesn't matter. But if you get a job, right, these all things nothing matter. But yeah, it's up to you, like you wanted to apply for the job based with the AI or not. But yeah, so there are a lot of options are there. Why I am using Clade is I have a membership with Clade, that's why I'm using. So now you can see my LinkedIn profile is here, right? So I wanted to make this this one improve. Actually, I wanted to improve this. So not only this, my descriptions, everything that I wanted to improve, right? So for example, this one, right? So this is all about me, right? So I wanted to improve this. What you will do, right? You generally copy it and go to ChatGPT or something. So you will ask that to make it, right? So what I will not do it like that. So hey, my LinkedIn profile was open here. More engaging according to my role. I'm just using plain English, man. So okay, you can see it will take the control of this this one. You can see already Clade was started, so it will automatically fetches out what is the about me, and it will ask us to update as well. You can see in the live what it will do. Give me a minute, I will drink some water.
Jane, this we can do only if we are subscribed or paid to this Claude, right?
Yes,
or else
yes,
we
yeah.
can't do this.
Yeah, or else we can't do this.
Oh.
What
Yeah.
would be the charges?
Yeah, it will be $20 plan it is. So what I can say is generally in the market, there are many AI tools are there. Out of that, Clade is the best one for many things. Clade is not best, like it is a final. I mean, you have only one option, you can think of it. Clade is a very, very good. But the only problem with the Clade is it has a token limit. If someone wanted to take the Clade membership, what I can say is club 5 people. Okay, it's $100 plan is there. Okay, $100 plan, everyone will spend $20 something, right? You will get a more limit actually than normal plans. Or else if you have 10 people in your circle, right? If you take the max plan, that is a $200 plan. Generally, everyone has to pay $20, but you have unlimited uses, like whatever you can use it, right? It will not going to end. But if you have that group of people, then it is going to help you. But yeah, not only this aspect actually, Clade can do amazing things that I'm going to show. Not only these things, okay. So I will show you, like, by the end of the things, like Claude, I'm going to use in many aspects. But yeah, so see, it gave me like proposed about section, right? So what I'm saying is, yeah, please update it. I'm not going to click on edit and everything else I can do. It will open that and it is going to edit for us. So
Hey, hi,
here
Jayant.
yeah.
One quick question here. So basically, we can take Naukri premium membership, then the one people will hire for us and they will do same thing, right? So what difference this is rather than taking premium in Naukri?
Okay, so you're asking Claude premium, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Uh,
Naukri, we have an option, right? We can take premium membership. The people will apply all the jobs instead of going individually.
okay, so they
We
will
will
apply the
take care
jobs
of
in only
everything.
Naukri, right?
Correct.
Yeah, but here with the Claude, so whatever I'm showing with the Claude, it's just 1% of the Claude. Okay, so you're not going to only apply the jobs with Claude. Okay, it is going to help in the coding. It is going to help in the like whatever you wanted to do. It is going to help. Like, you can, if you want to create images, if you want to create anything, it is going to help in one aspect. And you took the membership with the Naukri, right? So they generally charge something 500-600 for sure, right? I think more than that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you pay 500-600, and that is only for Naukri. So the jobs are not only in Naukri, right? It will be in the LinkedIn, it will be in the Glassdoor, it will be in the many other jobs, right? So that's why this is going to help you. Like, it can do automation for all the things. Okay, so this is going to help you in all the aspects, right? Not only one aspect. So they will apply in the LinkedIn Naukri, but there are many portals are there. So now if you see here, there are only 5 portals that we are giving. These people are giving it here, right? But in the future, they are planning to give many links actually. In the India, there are a lot of portals are the job portals. We should not limit to these portals only. Okay, people will post it in different portals. We have to apply from there as well. That is the difference that you will get it with the Claude. You can see a lot of things that I will show you with the Claude as well. Then you have a better understanding. Okay. I hope I have answered your question, right?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. You can see, like, later you will get more things. Okay. So you can see it applied. It makes me my this one is good. Okay, by this way, not only this, generally everyone LinkedIn profile, for every experience, you don't have enough points, like everything that doesn't have it. And also what I can ask is, if you are an experienced person or if you are a fresher also, ask for I mean, what I can say, these things, right? Generally, yeah, this is, what recommendations, recommendations is there in the LinkedIn actually. So if you ask the recommendation, it is going to help you in many aspects actually. If someone comes to your LinkedIn profile, it is definitely they will see these things actually. Okay, what other people are saying about you. This is very important that generally people will see, and you can ask this whatever your colleagues you have it, right? So don't take it light. This is going to tell the people, like, okay, who he is, like what he is doing, everything that he will tell it. Okay, so this is one more thing that you can do. Okay, this LinkedIn is done. Like, I just updated this one only, but what I did is earlier, right? I have asked it, like, to update my entire LinkedIn profile. Now that's why it has all details. Now it is full updated profile. Mine is okay. So it is able to do that. The next thing, my LinkedIn profile is ready. If you're a programmer or fresher or whatever it is, for a developer, the GitHub portfolio is very important. If you see my GitHub portfolio, if you see GitHub, right, github.com, and if you see my GitHub profile is showing it like this, doesn't have anything. Like, here the projects are there, but you're not able to see it, like who he is, where is my name, and all these things, right? If I have another GitHub portfolio, so github .com/JayantBabu123. If you see my portfolio, this is my another portfolio. If you see, I have a 115 repositories. But if they opened it, right, they can see all these things here. So the way that profile is looking is, this is also act as one portfolio for you. you have to create this one also. This is very, very important. And also you need to push the projects into this GitHub every week once. Why this is right? If someone will come in the link, for example, you created a resume. Earlier we created this resume, right? Where it is this resume? Somewhere. Okay, I missed it somehow. But yeah, so if you created your resume, it was just like only your LinkedIn profile doesn't going to matter. Your resume has to attract the people, right? So you have to put all these things like your GitHub profile. If you make it like that, when they opened it, it will be showing like this, right? So how can you make this profile like this? Earlier, to make this simple profile, right? It took me for 2 days actually. At the time, I was very beginner. I made these changes almost 7-8 years back. Okay, almost 6 years back, I made this GitHub profile. So you can see my GitHub profile was seen by 4,400 people. Okay, they are watching it and they will be able to understand my profile, right? So to make your profile also like that, what you can do is you can use Clade here. I mean, the Clade will make you the difference here. If you go to Clade and maybe I can update this. So this is not logged in. 1 second. This is not logged in, right? So I cannot update this one. So I can update my one only. Jayant Babu 3 is mine. Both are mine actually, but yeah. So if you see here, I don't have any profile, right? So I wanted to make my profile also good, right? For this, you don't know what all the things you need to put it here, right? So what I can say is there is a repo called GitHub GitHub Awesome Portfolios or something. Awesome portfolios. So you can see curate a list of awesome creative portfolios. You can see. Oh, not this. These are the developer portfolios. Let me check our link. Actually, we have that link. Where is that? 1 second. Yeah, I have to GitHub repos. Developer port. Yeah. So this is the link that you can use it. This is very useful actually. You go here, which one you like it. That is the main thing, right? So you don't need to follow only one thing. If you click on this one, there are many people has created these portfolios. You just need to click on any of them. For example, if you click this, right, it will show you like he created it like this. This is how he created it. This is simple one. For example, if you click on this one, they will show you differently. Like he created it like this. So whatever you are liking it, you just need to copy this and do it. But instead of you are copying it, right, it will be do by the Clade only. Okay. So what I can do is I will take one thing and I will try to make it. 1 second. There are a lot of profiles are there. Okay. So he created it like this. If you want, it will also do for us. But I will take one thing which is better. Code mode. Okay. Let's go with this, whatever it is. Okay, so this simple one, maybe I will go. So what I can do is you don't need to do anything. That is what in the 2026, if you are doing something manually, that is not going to work. So what I can say is I have this GitHub profile was open, right? So I'm asking Clade. Hey, my GitHub profile was open. Please update my GitHub portfolio readme similar to like this. I'm giving just this link, like it will take the reference and it is going to update for us. You can see it is going to analyze and it is going to help us. It is telling like, okay, approve plan. So if you click on ask before acting, right, every time it will ask you. But if you directly, you can see how it is doing. It is open that profile. If you put it as act without asking, it will do automatically. It will not ask you anything. Okay, so it automatically do for you. You can see how it is doing it. So these steps generally we have to ask ChatGPT or something. You have to do it manually, but this is going to make you like very easy. So it tried to access it, so it is not there. Oh, what did you say? Okay, it is asking my details actually. Okay, so you just need to tell the details. Okay, it automatically I need your details to write a readme similar to that one. So it is asking like you can ask all these you can tell all these details. It will open it and it will create it for you. So that kind of portfolio is very very important for you guys. This is very very important. And the next thing is this is also you need to put it in your resume. Okay, so LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, these are two links that it will you need to add it at the top of the section that will get you highlighted. The next thing is right, once you created your resume, what next? You should have your own portfolio or something. Earlier, I used to have a portfolio, but yeah, now I decommissioned it. But anyway, so you need to have a portfolio, right? For portfolio, how you need it? Like if you ask Claude to create some portfolio, if for that also you don't need to enter your details, right? You just take it like you have already your resume. You can just ask Claude, if you see here, I will open the new chat. I already have a resume, my LinkedIn profile. I will give it. Okay, so create a portfolio for me. It will create a portfolio for you. It will give you one index.html, one file. It will give it to you. So I'm asking here, we already consumed 40 minutes here. I'm on almost 50 minutes. Can I show creation of the portfolio, or we can go with the AI tools? I hope I'm not boring anyone. Okay, I'm trying to not bore anyone.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah,
I can
continue with
create
portfolio.
portfolio, right? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah. So now we have a resume. So why I'm taking the resume is I'm very lazy. I'm not able to enter all these details. That's why I'm giving the portfolio. So can you create portfolio? Just one page index.html. Why I'm asking only index.html, right? So it will be easy to deploy also. One page per portfolio is one page only always. So just one page index.html. So for this, how you want it, that is very very important, right? For this we have a link. Actually there is a awesome GitHub profiles as well. Developer portfolios are there. How developers are creating the portfolios for you. There is a website called developer portfolios. So you can see how many people are there here. They noted it down somewhere. No, you can see there are how many portfolios are there, right? These many portfolios are there here. You can see in the A, B only these many. Like if you scroll it, like these many portfolios are there. You can choose one thing. For example, if I'm opening one person portfolio, so this is his portfolio website actually. Let's see. So this is how he created it. Okay. So he's a full stack developer. He created his portfolio like this. Okay. So if you wanted to do it like this, what you can do is you don't need to do this one actually. So if you give that as an inspiration, where it is, we have any profile. Okay, this one, right? I need like this. I took the inspiration. So whatever the website that you took the inspiration, right? You can share that as well. Because it will get to know, like it will go here and try to find it out. Yeah, you can give it like this. So it will create a portfolio for you. You just need to take that portfolio HTML and you can go and deploy it actually. Okay, so while creating this portfolio, right, what we can do is meanwhile, right, how to deploy it. So what are the resources that we have to deploy, right? So these are the things that we need to know. If you go here, there are a lot of options which are available to deploy for you. The first option is the Netlify. Okay, so I used to use this one earlier. Now I am using Vercel now. Vercel is also very good. If you go to this one and log in, so better you can log in with Gmail or log in with this anything. So log in with email. Okay, already have it. Okay, let's go with the GitHub only then. Yeah. Add a new project. Yeah. So what it is saying is, right, you can directly drag that single HTML file, it automatically do it. Otherwise, you can upload it from GitHub or anything also, you can do it. So once it is created some HTML, right? You just need to drop that HTML there. It automatically, your portfolio will be live. That is how it will be. Very easy. So you have now 3 links, okay? You will be able to share your LinkedIn profile. You will be able to share your GitHub profile. You will be able to share your portfolio as well. Anyway, it is creating for you, right? You can see it is creating it actually. You can see it is creating single HTML file. So it will do it for you. So you have 3 links now to make your resume more, more better than others, right? And then while it is creating this one, what you can do is the next part is Medium articles is going to help you a lot actually. So you are a beginner, you are a fresher or anyone, right? So what you can do is you can try to write articles, whatever you know, right? Whatever you know. Nowadays, like, when I started writing an articles, at the time AI was not there. Okay. So at the AI was not there. I will tell you, to be frank, like, what was happened. So I started writing an articles if you see my articles, right? So if you go to publish, so when I started these articles, right? Almost to see, before AI comes up only, I started writing an articles, like you can see. So 2019 I started. Okay. At that time, I don't know. At that time, money is also not there. They are not giving money. Recently, 1 year back, they started giving money for articles. So at the time, I did not get any money. But why I started is, at the time I'm actively attending the interviews. Definitely, they're asking like a lot of things. I wanted to avoid the lot of questions because every interview will be 1 hour. Okay. If you answer it, tell me about yourself in just 1 minute or 2 minutes. After that, what will going to happen? They will ask complete technical interviews, right? If you tell all these things, there is some discussion which is going to happen on this. You will be able to control the interview for some time. Like you will tell, like, okay, I did this, I did that. Like if you tell a lot of things, okay, they will get some confidence. So they will ask details, like, okay, well, how you did this, or like this, right? So that way you will get you will escape some time there. So, like, why I'm saying this, right? I created many articles here. So what happened after that? At that time, I did not get a money, right? So my articles was got very popular. Many articles are coming in the Google search first results. So someone has approached me. Okay. So there is a builtin.com. Yeah. If you see here, right? Here also I'm an article writer. Actually, if you see, this is also written by me. Okay. So what they told is, yeah, your articles are on top of Google search. So can you sell me this 6 articles? Okay. They bought, okay, let me go here. What are the things that they bought it for me? I will tell you. It's not there. You can see. If I click on this one, see 5 articles they bought it for me. So each article costs $400. Okay. So at the time when I'm writing it, I don't know. I did not get any money. I'm using this for interviews. Like I am writing this, that, like all these things that help me in the interviews. And also someone liked these articles. They bought these articles for $400 each one. You can see $2,000 means how much it will be. So that's why for everything, you will not get the result at the same time. It might delay, but for sure, whatever you are doing it, that result will come for you. I've seen that result. That's why I'm asking you to write the Medium article. If someone searches about you, like, it will help you to come up in the Google as well. So at the time when I'm writing it, it will be very difficult. Like I am very bad at English at the time. I am also studied in normal colleges. Like I don't know much communication, but still the only confidence that I have is I have to write it. I have to write it. That's where I started with very basic English, but still my articles was popular. Now the writing articles is very, very easy. You can go here with the Claude extension, just click on write and click this one, write an article on this topic. It automatically writes it for you. You don't need to do anything. But the only thing that you need to ask is, like, you can write it as a humanized way. That prompt that you need to use it, then it will write it in a very humanized way, because now Medium is also finding it out, like who is writing with the AI. So you have to use this. There is a, for this also there is a, yesterday I have seen this humanizer GitHub. You can see this is a skill. What it will do is it is saying that removes the signs of AI generated writing from text. So if you use this skill in the Claude A, it will help you to write an articles or anything that is not written like an AI. Okay, so like this, you will be able to create your articles. Post one article every week. You don't need to post it every day also. You can post an article every week. So that definitely going to help you. That's what I'm saying. Your portfolio, your resume has to be stand out than others. Then only you will get the job nowadays. Otherwise, like, some, you know, right? Some people like, whoever is doing the hard work, than that, like what is you are showcasing, that is more important nowadays. So, many applications, for example, many applications are there in the industry now. But whoever is doing the marketing and they are going into the market, they are getting more visibility and they're popular in that. But many people are there, they're doing the same job, but they're not popular because they are not able to showcase themselves. It can be budget, it can be anything, right? So that's why you have to showcase yourself. Otherwise, no one will showcase you. Okay, this trick helped me.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. So like that, it will help you. And if you go to this one, right, it created me portfolio like this. Somehow, like, you can enhance it later, but somehow it was created me like this. Now you have this one, right? You just download this HTML, index.html. Okay, downloads is fine. Already now. Oh, no. I will go to desktop. So you can see I saved in the desktop, right? What I can do is I will go to this Netlify. So I just choose a browser file to upload, right? If I desktop index.html, uploading it. This is my portfolio now. See, it took my all the details from that resume and 10 years of experience, everything. It created me simple. I mean, I took for 10-15 minutes, right? But if you spend more time, like, you will get a more better portfolio. You can see how it is coming up.
This is for free.
Yeah, this is for free.
Okay, we can host any applications, not only HTML.
Yeah, not only any applications that you can host, but the only problem that you will get is the domain will be like this. If you wanted your custom domain, it will be custom domain is very cheap now. Like, you can buy it for 1,000 rupees for 1 year, and you can come up here and you can link that custom domain as well. So this platform is free for. I mean, they also have some limit, but for your portfolio, it's more than enough. Like, I have maintained my portfolio with free for almost 3 to 4 years. You don't need to pay anything.
Okay, got you.
Okay. So like this, in front of you, I created one portfolio for you. Okay. So like this, now you have 4 links. Okay. Someone has raised the hand. Do you have any question?
Yeah, Jayant. Actually, see, I'm about to ask the question. This question before when you was explaining this resume creation.
Mhm.
So, see, humanized way. See, if we create this resume by using whatever the AI using this Gen AI, so it makes difference between the humanized way and the what is that AI created way, right? So they might find a difference between the resume, right? See, usually the senior guys will evaluate it and they might find it right. That was my
okay, yeah,
perception.
that's a good question anyway. So what I can say is, I have showed it in the creation of the resume in just 5 minutes, right? So what you need to do is, as I told, like, some things was written by the AI, it will be able to find it out. That's why you need to use some extensions or something. I have told that humanizer way, right? So it
Yeah.
will filter out a lot of things for you. You have to care about while creating your resume. If you see here, this here also I created showing creating resume, right? This is also this is actually one of my friend website actually. So they developed it. So they are also following the same rules, like, they wanted to they are using the humanized way of writing the resumes because they created an entire application, right? They felt like, okay, ATS will find out this. That's why they are also writing everything in the humanized way. Okay,
No.
these
This is
guide.
see, this obviously going to happen because this is an AI era. So mostly the evaluators will look into that.
Yeah.
Mostly, see, if the job market goes dull, then this picture comes in, right?
Yes. Yeah. Obviously.
Yeah. Then
Yeah.
how we are going to tackle this? That's my question.
Yeah. So I mean, the only question. I mean, generally now everyone is following. I can tell you one thing. ATS parsing resumes. It is not correctly like mapping like it is AI generated resume now. People are not doing it currently. All the companies. Okay.
Yeah.
So and also many companies they will review the. I mean, whenever they get the resume, they don't have a time to find out like this is the AI generated resume or something. Definitely, whatever it was in the resume, they will try to ask the question. If you're putting some points extra, right? Definitely, it will be.
Exactly. They won't review it, but
Yeah.
see, some highlighted points they might be having their eyes, right?
Yeah. That's why we have to be very careful while creating the resume.
Okay.
You have to give all the details. Not only we say like I'm a front end developer, so we have to tell like what are the things that you did it in the manual way, and then it will create the resume for you. Okay.
Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah. No problem. Yeah. So by this way, you have a lot of links now. 4 links that you can put it in your resume. That you need to put it at the top so that resume will start from top, right? So people will look into that. Later, whatever you are putting in your every experience or you are a fresher, right? So that they are going to ask it. Okay, these are the things that you need to do it. Okay, so I covered it in this way.
Hi,
First of all,
Jainath.
yeah.
One question related with the resume only. Many times we are working not in the single area. We are working on different area. Suppose if like I'm 10 years of experience. 2 year I started with the testing, then I moved into data, then I moved into something. So which skill? Sometime we are feeling like we are working on particular skill not for the longer duration. So because as the AI era is going right now, all changing everything, we have to learn AI. We can showcase our AI part also in the resume. So what generally we have to show actual thing in the resume so that like coming employer can see it and he can ask those things, or we should not show our previous whatever we have done previously. So how we can showcase?
Yeah, basically, it's better you should not. I mean, don't avoid the previous things because if you're putting as, for example, you worked on the testing and you now currently working as a front end developer. If you remove that and you are saying it like you are the complete front end developer, right? Definitely they will expect more from you. So whatever you did that, you can keep it like that only. But what I'm saying is to make your profile stand out in the current AI market, something you have to actually. I will tell you one thing. So recently one demo was happened. Okay. I went to one, I mean, there people are showcasing many projects. Some people just created the websites. Some people, they're, even though they did small thing, they put AI in that. Everyone is going to the AI. AI does like, even though these people are doing very well, good job, but people are going to AI because this AI era is coming up. That's why something you have to develop by integrating the AI. Nowadays, you don't need to create your own model. Already models are there. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. These are the things which are available for you. I mean, not only ChatGPT means like you open this and this is not this is one part of ChatGPT. This is just 10% of the ChatGPT, right? So there is a lot of things that you can do with the ChatGPT. You will get the API key from that, and you can create one application, and that should solve some problem. So nowadays, getting idea is very important. Creating application is very easy. So that you need to add it in your resume to highlight it. Otherwise, as normal portfolios or normal things doesn't going to matter for anyone now.
Yeah, thank you. Yep.
Yeah. So I will tell you what are the things that you can do, like this ATS resume creator, right? That also you can create it with the help of AI. I will tell you some free models that you can use. You don't need to pay single rupee also. That you can create it, the AI based applications as well. Okay. Any questions before moving to the next segment? This is one part of flow actually I wanted to discuss. Any questions that you have?
No, we are good, Jain.
Okay, so you find it useful, right? Everyone?
Yeah, pretty much. And you
Yeah.
know what I
Yes.
understand, we have to do our own PR to stand out from the crowd, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if you want anything specifically, also you can ask me here. Meanwhile, I will continue with other things because we have to discuss a lot of things. Probably this session is not going to enough for me. But yeah,
Hey,
these
I
are the
have a
things.
quick question. Sorry. I have a quick question, Jen.
Mhm.
Yeah, so I was asking, is there any agent came which can automate the complete, job application process? From I will give the access, he will pick my resume, he will go to the portals, and he will apply from LinkedIn, Naukri.
No, currently,
Complete
yeah.
automation.
Probably for that, like complete automation. You can use the Cowork. There is a Claude Cowork is there, but I have not tried it. But for sure, I will tell you. Like I will try and I will tell you. Okay.
Yeah,
There is
sure,
a
sure. Thank
in
you.
the Claude. There is a Cowork option is there. It can take your complete system access and it can do that. But always even though if it is taking care all these things, right? You have to be very careful. That can do anything in your system sometimes. Okay. But yeah, uh, I will show
All
you
right.
that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the next part that I wanted to show is generally how many AI tools that people generally know. Um, Anyone can tell me like what are the AI tools that you generally use in your regular life and what are the things that you know?
ChatGPT.
The first one.
Grok.
Gemini.
Yeah.
Anti-gravity,
JCP.
Okay.
Perplexity.
Cursor,
Napkin.
Copilot,
Uh,
Windsurf,
great.
Notebook.
Cool. Cool. Yeah.
Notebook LLM,
Great. Yeah. So you know a lot of
LM
things, right?
Marina,
Ella Marina. Okay. I don't know. Very good. Okay.
Gemma AI,
Okay. Gamma AI, right?
uh,
Okay. For creating the
Meta.
presentation. Okay.
yes.
Meta.
Meta. Okay.
Copilot,
Copilot.
Great. Yeah. Yeah. So, did you guys use this in your daily life? Like, not only this chat GPT, like asking these questions or these things, right? Did you use for coding or anything? Anyone? You guys are
Yes.
using it, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
Q.
Yeah. Then, yeah, I will tell you few more. We are using I have asked about the models, right? You have to understand first of all what are the AI models and what is the difference between models, agents, and what exactly that people are doing it, right? So then you will have a clear understanding of what we are doing in our daily life. Generally, the first AI model that which came up in the 2021, that is a Chat GPT. So at the first time that came up, actually at the time only probably I'm preparing for the interviews. I think so for the front end developer interview. I don't know for many questions. Even if I search in the Google, right, I am not finding the answer. That day I saw the Chat GPT. When I ask every question, it is answering very clearly. Oh man, what this chat GPT is doing? Like, I thought of people will block this chat GPT. That's why I started copying the answers into one Google Docs and something. Na? Okay, I have to prepare for the interviews maybe because chat GPT is doing all the time at the time. I'm copying all the answers. So later, that is just simple part of chat GPT. Now it was evolved a lot actually. Chat GPT is a model. Okay. Chat GPT is a model. Gemini is a model, okay, and Claude is a model. Whatever you are saying, this notebook LLM, these are all not models, okay. Windsurf, Cursor, Arena, something, Gamma, these are all not models. Model is something, if you ask something, it will give you an answer. I mean, it will understand whatever you're asking and it will give an answer for you. It will understand the question and it will give an answer for you. ChatGPT is a model, Gemini is a model, Claude is a model, Grok is a model, LLMs are models anyway. So these are all the models actually. So generally we will use ChatGPT every day. That is a model. So what exactly this Windsurf? Whatever if you see this Claude app, or else this is the Cursor, or else if you go Windsurf, anti-gravity, like what are these things? Okay, that you need to know. So if you know, right, if you see, do you know about the black box here? Anyone?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah, yeah. So black box AI is also AI, right? So actually, I have worked in the black box. That I will show you what I did actually. If you go here, this is the black box AI. Okay, this chat panel and everything that I only created it. Okay, so I worked almost 2.5 months in this. Okay, so I created this. Actually, I have some credits as well, like, yeah. So I worked this. I worked in this black box AI to develop this VS Code extension. For this, we have used React anyway. Yeah. So this is also one AI tool, right? So what I'm going to tell is Claude, Gemini, all these things, they are using it here, and they created some editors. That is what they did. If you go to Cursor, you will be able to select different models. Okay. So what is the difference between models and this one is models will whatever you are asking it will just give you the answer actually. But what agents will do, right? This is the agent. Okay. Cursor is an agent. Okay. Cursor is an agent, or else like Windsurf is an agent. If you ask something, it will analyze, it will plan, and it will execute that. Agent is like a person, so it knows everything. Like it has access to the code base or anything. It can do all of them. So without these models, Cursor is nothing. Without these models, without Claude or Chat GPT or all these things, Windsurf is nothing. Blackbox is nothing. All these AI editors are nothing, because they are using these models and created some tool to utilize it. Because if you buy the Claude extension, Claude premium membership, what you will get it? You will get only Claude things, right? But if you buy the Cursor, what you will get it is you will get a lot of models here. That is a business point that they put it. They took it and they created it. It's $1 million business now. Okay. Not only this, Windsurf for all these things, right? It's $1 million business that you can that is going to happen now. Okay, one trick that I will show you, like if you are have a credit card.
These are part of agentic AI.
Yeah, these are all parts of agents, like agentic AI, that you are not developing any agents, right? These are all agents that developed by the Windsurf. I mean, any other third-party tools. Okay. Yeah. So one thing I wanted to tell you, like Windsurf is offering 2 weeks of free trial. Okay. So if I go to pricing, so 2 weeks free trial is there. You can use this, like, this is very useful. Windsurf is very, very good. If you start a free trial, right? So it will ask you the credit card details. And once a free trial was activated, right? You can just close it. I mean, you can remove that card and stop the subscription, but you can use for 2 weeks of free trial. So $20 plan, you can get it for 2 weeks. You can use this. Anyway, I will show you how the Windsurf is. If you see, this is the Windsurf. Okay, there is this. Okay, this is the Windsurf. So Windsurf is nothing without these models. Okay, these are the models that they are using it, and they created this tool actually. So what I wanted to tell is, I will tell you top 3 models, how to use it, everything. First of all, Chat GPT. Chat GPT, generally you can go to browser and you can use it. If you see here, whatever you want, right? You can ask it. It is going to work. This is just like a question and answer basis. But if you wanted to write a coding, there is the Chat GPT. They built their own extension that is called Chat GPT. Yeah, this is the if you go here, right, in the VS Code. Generally, I will use the VS Code. If you are using some other extension, also fine. They have their own extension. If you go here, you will find a Codex Chrome extension, Codex VS Code extension. By this way, also you can able to use this actually. If you search it high, right? So here it has a complete code base access, and it will be able to do the code changes. This is the second way of using the Chat GPT for coding tasks. Okay, it has a complete access for this code base, and it can do whatever you want. Okay, so that is what 1 second. Okay, so that is what you can do here. Okay, so you'll be able to use this. ChatGPT. You will have a ChatGPT Chrome VS Code extension. That is, you can. There is a second way, right? There is a Codex desktop app is also there. Okay. Okay, this is not there. It's not downloaded probably. So there is a Codex desktop app is there. If you go to the Codex desktop app, okay. So this is the Codex desktop app. If you download it, it will open like how Clade is opening, right? The same way it will open it, and you can select the folder that you wanted to select, and you will be able to write the coding there as well. Like how I'm writing it in this one, right? You will be able to write the coding with the Codex as well. Okay, that is the third way of you can use the ChatGPT. The next thing is you will be able to directly use the in the codex where this directly it is not there. Codex web, I can say. Yeah, not this. Somehow, I don't know. It should be there. 1 second. I have a document. Let's see. ChatGPT Codex. Let's see. Is it available now? Oh, it is now they removed this web-based access actually. But earlier we can use it in the web as well. It directly push into the GitHub. It will connect to the GitHub and it will directly do the changes. So that is also one thing that earlier it is, but they removed it and they're giving directly Codex app. So these are the 3 ways that you can use the ChatGPT for your coding. Okay. And the next thing now I'm currently covering. I'm not going to deep into anything because it will take a lot of time. So first, ChatGPT you can use in 3 ways. And also the 4th way is you can download the Codex Chrome extension. So you can see there is it's not there. Somehow it will be there. There will be a Codex Chrome extension. There is content. It is what it is saying. So, okay. Yeah, this is the Codex Chrome extension. If you have a paid membership, right, you can use this Codex Chrome extension similar to how we are using Clade in the Chrome extension, right? Like this, you will be able to use this Codex as well. Recently, they released. That's why very less ratings are there. But yeah, this is also good actually. You can try it out. Probably they are giving free version or not. I'm not sure, but you can try it out. These are the 4 ways that you can use the ChatGPT. Maybe some different ways are there. I don't know, but I am using these things. The next thing is I can go with the Clade. Okay, so Clade you can use it in different ways. The first thing is the same way how I did it, right? You can go to here and you can click on this extension. You can download the Clade code extension directly, and you will be able to use the Clade here. Okay, the same way how you are using ChatGPT, you will be able to use it here. It has a direct access to your portfolio and to your project, and it will do whatever the changes that you have it. It will do it. Okay, so this is one way of using it. The next thing is you directly use in the this one, right? So Clade. So something if you open it directly, so you can directly ask the question. It will do it here. This is the second way of. This is everyone knows it. This is the second way of doing it. The next most important way is you can go here. So this is the Clade Chrome Clade desktop app. Okay, what it will do is it has a complete access for your system. Okay, you can, if you wanted to work on some project, right? This is the chat mode. Whatever you are using in the web, right? You will be directly do a chat mode here. If you ask some question, it will give you an answer. It will do it. And this is one way. Next is right. There is a co-work. So, for example, what co-work is doing, right? So whatever you are doing in your system, that Cowork will do. For example, if you go to my system and if you see my desktop, right, there is a lot of screenshots and all these things are there. Okay, if I wanted to organize my desktop, right, so I can ask it here. So I will select a what is the choose a different folder. I will select a desktop. Okay, if I open it, change files in desktop. Yeah, I'm allowing it. So what I'm doing is, so can you organize my desktop into different categories? Folders. Don't delete anything. So if you are not able to organize, right, what it will do is it will do instead of you, it will organize my desktop. Like a lot of things are there right now. It will organize all the things and it will keep it in a different folders. Actually, that is what it will do. Okay, it should be able to do that. The desktop parts, like it will be loading the tools and all. So what Claude Cowork will do, it has access to your system and it will do whatever you want. Okay, so that is Cowork. Maybe this result we can see later. This is one thing that it is doing it now. Okay, what it is saying, by file type recommended, by type, date, flat media docs projects. Okay, let's go. Move into project. What about existing folder? No. Okay. Okay, let's go with this. So it is saying like 150 screenshots, all these things, right? It will organize it now. Like that, it will do it. It will make your desktop. Probably I will not do it now because it will change all the things. But yeah, it will do it. So the third approach is by using Claude, right? You can do directly here, like whatever the folder that you wanted to work, you can directly select a folder here. So if you wanted to work on some project, however you are doing in VS Code or something with the extension, right? You will be able to directly do it here. It will directly change the files and everything will be ready. So this is the third approach. So they created one unified experience for us in the Claude desktop app. So everything that you can do it here. Okay, these are the things that you can do with the Claude. And the fourth approach is you can use Claude as here. Okay, so Claude directly you can install it in the Chrome extension and you can do a lot of things with the Claude. Okay, these are the 4 ways that you can use it to Claude. Now, what about Gemini? Gemini is like, these 3. Why I'm telling these 3 only because these are the popular models. So that's why I'm discussing all these things. If you go to Gemini, Gemini is also very good. Okay, you can directly ask Gemini whatever you want here. So this is the normal way that people will use it, everyone. So I don't know they gave me the Chrome extension or not. I have not tried it. Google AI Studio is there. Okay, Google AI Studio. So if you download the Google AI Studio, if you go to the Google AI Studio, so you will be able to develop the projects here only. Okay, so this is one way of creation of the projects. It's very good. This is also very good actually. You can try it out. One more thing is if you have a GeoSIM, what you can do is you can get 1.5 year free of Gemini subscription. You can utilize it actually. Gemini is very, very good. You can utilize that. Now only you can activate it because Geo and Gemini was collaborated and they are giving an offer now. Please enable that. It will be very useful for now. Meanwhile, we can find out like there is a Chrome extension with the Gemini as well. If it is there, you don't need to buy any subscription for Claude or anything. You can directly apply for the jobs with the Gemini only. Okay, that is what we can do it. So this is Gemini, Google AI Studio. And the next thing is anti-gravity, right? Anti-gravity was developed by the Google. Okay, so this is developed by the Google. Earlier, what they tried a lot of, basically, if you see, Google is very, very big company. But the problem is in the AI race, right? So it's not able to withstand with Claude. I mean, every company is Claude is going in more extent in all the aspects. These models, like these are good, but when compared to Claude, right, sometimes it is not up to the mark. They tried a lot of things. If you see, Google Gemini also created this extension, Google Gemini Code Assist, but it is not much good. That's why they created directly an editor. Anti-gravity is an editor, and you can directly use this here. So you can see, however, cursor and everything, right? This is also similar. But they are mainly defaultly Google Gemini will be selected. You can use this as well. So these are the 3 ways that you can use the Gemini, but I am not much using Gemini. Okay, these 3 models are there. Which one we can go? This is the question that we have it if you wanted to buy a thing, right? So if you are a serious developer, you are developing some serious projects like you are doing your office work or something, you can directly go for Claude. Claude is very, very good. For end-to-end tasks, it is doing very good. If you, I mean, to be frank, like if you are a front-end developer or something, you are creating some visualizations, Claude is very good. But if you are writing a logic, like if you are writing in Python, Java, or like Node.js or something, so for logic handling, OpenAI and Gemini is also very, very good. Okay, So, but in all the aspects, Claude is good, but these aspects, Gemini and these things are covering very well. I have tried that. I have the subscription for those things as well. I'm using it. But yeah, it's up to you. You can try it out with the free versions and you can use it. Now, you know about the top 3 models, right? These are doing well in the market. These are the 3 main things which are happening. Now, what I'm going to show is based on these models, they created some these things actually. This cursor is like, cursor is, cursor has a 400 to 500 employees, but they are doing $1 billion business actually. Okay. So why? Because the only thought that makes them change. You can see they are using others models and they are creating it one editor, and it is doing it. So this is one cursor is very, very good. If you wanted to use all the models, you can come up here. So don't compare Gemini, Claude, or ChatGPT here because it doesn't relate to it. This is just like interface that is helping us to use all the models. Okay, so this is one thing. Cursor, yeah. Any questions?
So I think it has optimized all of them very well.
Yeah.
So I guess instead of using all of it, I think we can save time over here.
Yeah. So yeah, that is also a good choice actually. That's why many people are going for this as well. If you're that's why if you're only front end developer or something, like if you like the Claude, generally why I go to the Claude is I will tell you the business formula for this, right? What these guys will do is they will also pay the amount to the Claude, ChatGPT and Gemini. But what they will optimize it, the queries and everything. If you spend $20, they will give you just $7-8 only for you. But they are optimizing it like that. They are making the business of $12. You don't know how many credits that you have used, that thing that they are not showing it. So that way they are making the money. So if you see GPT, they will pay the money for this. They are giving some limit like this. This logic that they are doing it is like that they are making money. Okay. Yeah.
So how much premium is for the cursor?
$20.
Okay, same. All right.
Yeah. All are like, same, almost same. $20 most are. Okay. Yeah. So this is cursor. And if you go to the Windsurf, as I told you, can use 2 weeks for free. This is also very, very organized. Like, it has a lot of options like code maps. What it will do is if you wanted some function, how it will work, right? That function is how it was connected to all of them. It will create a code maps and everything. These are the features that they are providing other than these models actually. Okay. Like this, you can able to select a model and you can write it some task. It will do it. Along with that, some other options also they are providing along with that. So you can use Windsurf as well. But yeah, just try it out before stick with something. The next thing is, right, Windsurf is also very good. Like you can use it direct editor. What others we have it, right? There is a JetDI. Okay. This one also I have used it. JetDI editor. So if you see, JetDI editor is also similar to what we have it cursor and everything. So this is also very, very good. You can try this out. Maybe probably this has some free limit actually. You can try it out. This will also do the same job. It was developed by the Atom. There is if you know earlier, there is an Atom editor will be there. Like IntelliJ, like VS Code, right? There will be Atom editor will be there. Those people developed this. You can use this one also, JetDI. And the next thing is Black Box AI. So there is a Black Box AI. Okay. So Black Box AI has, these people also doing the same. So they have this interface and they have all these, where it is. Where this VS Code, this is VS Code, CLI, API agent. Where is this? Oh, 1 second. Black Box editor. So there will be an editor as well. I don't know, this is not showing up. Okay, this is Black Box AI editor, IDE. Okay, somehow here. So you can download this as well. This will also work for you. This is you can select a system and it will download it for you. This is also one AI IDE that you can use it. The next thing that we can show is these are the editors actually. These are the editors means you can directly write the code and you can work on it. The next thing. So these people did this, right? but what other people are doing it, there is a Lovable AI. Okay, so Lovable AI, right? What these guys are doing, this is web based. If you wanted to create a web applications, you can directly come here, and they're not giving a free trial, probably one query per day. I think something they're giving 5 credits or something. This is also very good for creating a websites, especially not other things. For creating a websites, this Lovable AI is very good. So I'm just giving overview, guys, because we don't have a time to do all these things. Okay, and the next thing is Emergent.ai. Emergent AI. You can see Emergent AI, right? So this is also good actually while creating the web applications and mobile apps, I think so. This is also you can use it for creating websites. So what these guys are doing it, right? They are also using the models like Gemini, Claude, and these things only. They don't have their own models. But what they are doing is they are giving an interface to us. If you see Claude and these things, they are using these models only. They are paying to them and they are giving to us. Okay, so like that, they're giving an interface to us to create a applications. This is the Emergent AI. You can use this one as well if you wanted to go with the only mobile apps or desktop apps. Mobile apps or web apps, all these things. You can create it from here. The next AI that I wanted to show is 1 second. I forgot some things. I don't want it to miss. 1 second. GitHub Copilot, probably I will not show. So there is a Bolt.new. There is a AI tool is there. Okay, Bolt.new. So here also you can create the web applications and all these things with this Bolt.new. This is also good actually. Some companies are using this for web-based applications. Actually, not all the things. Bolt.new also you can use it. Okay, these are the ways, like, by using those models, they are creating these applications, they're making money. Okay, you have any questions?
So being a data analyst, I just want to know that which of all these AIs are most optimized for data cleaning or reporting purpose or creating dashboard, something like that.
Yeah, so you can go with this. I mean, if you are going for specific purpose, right? Probably Claude or these three are good actually for you, especially. Anything is good. Or else, like, you can go with these editors as well. You have some free models, it will be available for you. Okay, so other than this, only Claude, right? GPT, all these models are available. If some limit was gone, probably you can use these free models for some time. Yeah, and also we have some more models actually. So I will tell you probably in the next session. We have a Ollama. Okay, this is a Ollama. This is a free models actually. You can set up this in your system, right? There are some free models that we can use it. Probably most of the tasks it will do good job, but if it is a complex ones, it is not able to do it. But most of the jobs it will cover. You don't need to pay single rupee. Also, you need to download this Llama model in your system, and if you configure it, it will work like how Claude is working, right? The same way it will work, and you can use this Llama model for free. We can do this setup once actually. I will show it to you probably in the next session or something. That will help you. Yeah, that is how we can do it. It has a lot of free models. We can use it. Okay. Yeah. So
yeah, I have one thing. So I think we have Gemma also, Gemma model.
Yeah, Gamma. Yeah. Yeah, for Gamma, it will be creating the for presentations. Let me open it. Okay. So Gamma, right? This is the one you're talking, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So generally, if you wanted to generate a PPTs, this is the best choice for you. But yeah, what I can say is, right, this is also probably they will use Claude or something inside of it. I have not tried it. But yeah, let me try this out. Probably they don't have their own models. I don't know. But yeah, let's see. This Claude is doing amazing jobs of creating the PPTs as well now. If you ask a PPT, right, it is doing very good now for personal use, or like, maybe marketing. Just me. How did you hear about us? Okay, LinkedIn. Okay, so generate it. Let's see what models that they are using it. So they are not showing the models, but yeah, somehow they are using different models. I don't know, but yeah, for creating the presentations, you can use this model. I have not used much because I don't have that much requirement, but yeah, you can try it this out as well. Okay. Yeah. So these are the things that you need to know while taking any subscription or anything, right? You can try all these AI tools. These are very popular now, and you can take a subscription. The next thing that I wanted to do is, right. So there are some. Okay, someone has raised a hand. Please ask me.
Yeah, Jain, Deepak this side. So actually, I just wanted to know that which model is suitable for which purpose. So how we can identify that? Because there are a lot of models are there, and a lot of agents are there. But let's say I'm working on one specific purpose, so I need to go for one particular model which is suitable for that. So as Utkarsh asked related to the reporting and visualization, there might be one model which will be very suitable, right? So how we can identify that?
Yeah, that we can identify by trying it only. But to be honest, Clade is covering all the scenarios. If you want to do anything, right? Clade is doing amazing job as I'm using it like for all the things. It is doing good job. But yeah, if you have a specific scenario, you have to try all the three models and you can decide on it, like which one is doing good job.
Okay, so basically these three models are very popular. So first we need to go for these three models, then we can go for other.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
For data engineering field, which model is better for?
Sorry?
For data engineering field, which
Yeah, you
model
can go
is
with the
better?
Clade. Clade is good actually. You can go with the Clade. So as I have used all the models, OpenAI and Gemini, and then I decided to go with the Clade because Clade is giving amazing output for any kind of task that I am doing it. It is taking care of end to end actually. If I give the proper prompt, it is taking care end to end. Okay, so I can suggest to go with the Clade.
Jayant, you are professional in this field and you know how to use all these. But someone who is new, who don't know how to execute good prompts, can you help us with that?
Yeah. So probably I can take some other session. Okay. So how to use, how to prompt it, and all these things, right? I will help you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So a lot of things that we covered now. Any other questions that you guys have? So I'm not getting you bored, right?
How to contribute to open source GitHub projects using AI?
Okay, you wanted to contribute to open source projects?
Yeah, on GitHub. Yeah, and that would improve GitHub profile,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So how to use AI to do that like that?
Okay, I will tell you this specific scenario. I have not contributed earlier, but for sure I will help you in this. Okay, I will explore it and I will help you. Okay.
Sure, thank you.
Yeah. Meanwhile, we can basically, if you see this, right, there is a client Chrome client GitHub, right? So Cline is similar to how you have VS Code extensions, right? If you go to the VS Code, if you search for Cline, okay, this is a client, you can install it. The same way how you are able to use it, right? This Clade or Gemini or some other things, right? The similar way you will be able to use this client as well. But the only difference with the client is, right? 1 second, start with a goal, not just learn client code base. Done. Okay. So what this client will do is, where is this client? This is the one. Yeah. So if you wanted to understand like how this Clade Chrome, Clade VS Code extension or ChatGPT VS Code extension, all these things, how it is working. So they will not expose their source code, right? So you will not able to see their source code, like how they are calling the AIs and everything, right? But this client is client is a open source. Okay. So for this, if you wanted to contribute, right, probably you can contribute it here. So this is the open source. What generally they will do is, so for this project, if you wanted, even you can clone this and you can understand like how exactly that they are calling AI models. It will be similar interface as you can see. One second, login to client, continue. 1 second. So probably it will ask me to log in. So it will also similar, but the only benefit that you will get is you will be able to understand how this people are making the extensions, what code that they are using, how they are making an AI calls and everything, right? You will be able to understand by cloning this code actually. That is the benefit that you have. You can clone it and you can try to explore the things and you can contribute it here by raising a pull request. If you see, right, there are many people are contributing
Yeah.
to this. Yeah, so you
Okay.
also able to raise a PRs for this. So they will see it and they will approve it. If they approve it now, so it will be very good
Yeah.
benefit for you. Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. You can just need to raise a new pull request and by pushing it to this, it will work. Okay. So this is also one thing. Like this, there are a lot of things are there, but yeah, as this session is already 15 minutes more, we are not able to cover all this thing. I will show you few fast websites like yeah. So if you wanted to find a lot of AI tools, there is a website called toptools.ai. Okay, topai.tools. Here, if you wanted for a specific purpose, right? For example, I search for a coding. Okay, so what are the websites which are there for coding, right? You can see these are the lot of extensions or anything, right? So you will be able to see it here, GitHub Copilot or all these things, right? If you search for the here, like almost 22,000 AI tools they have listed. So you can see 22,000 AI tools they have listed. Based on the category that you have selected, it will be able to show it here. There will be free AI tools will be there. Like what are the things free, which are paid, all these things, like you'll be able to see. See, we know only few things, right? But if you see here, how many are there? Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity AI, Bing Image Search. lot of AI tools are there. You can choose it from here as well. Okay, this is very good website. You can find it out whatever you need it based on your use case. You can go. You can select a lot of categories, and based on that, you can generate it. All free. If you select it all free now, then you will get only free tools. These are the things. Next thing will be there is an AI for that. There is a website. Okay, so in this website you will be able to see the same kind of website. This one also. What it will do is here also you can search whatever the use case that you have. It will tell you what are the tools that we have it now. For example, if I search with, okay, why it is asking login? If you search for whatever you want it, right, it will also help you in the same way. It will able to find out a lot of tools for you, and you can use those tools. And the next thing is there is a alternative.dev. Okay, alternative2.dev. So what it will do is, right, if you ask something, for example, you are asking ChatGPT. Okay, so if you ask ChatGPT, what it will do is it will show you the alternative tools for that. So what are the tools which are there in the market for this ChatGPT, right? Gemini, Mistral, Chat. We don't know this actually. If you try to open it and explore it, you will get some knowledge and you will be able to share with others, right? So this is AI chatbot. Okay, Mistral AI is their own model actually they have. So that is also you can use it. So like this, if you ask anything, right, what are the alternatives which are there? So as you asked me, like what else I can use it, right? So you can come here and give the requirement. So they will suggest so many tools. You can try all the things. Which one is good you feel, you can continue with that. You can take the subscription or anything and you can use it actually. Like that, these AI tools, these websites are very useful. Okay, keep these things in mind. The next thing is, right, there is a Stitch with Google. There is a website. Okay, Stitch with Google is a website. If you are wanted to develop a website or mobile app, you can come here and just give the requirement. It automatically create the screens for you. For example, if I wanted to develop a web application or mobile app, I wanted to create a food delivery app. So just I gave small simple prompt actually. But yeah, what it will do is it will create a screens for you how the app should look like, and it is going to help UX designers. Okay, So that way, like it is going to help you. It will create the screens here, and you can directly get the code also here, and you will be able to create the mobile apps and desktop web apps very easy. While it is creating it, I will show some other website as well. So if you see here, 1 second, I have this Instagram, Flutter. There is something. There is some website which should be there. Okay, let's go here. I have listed it here. Okay, Flow Designer. So if you see here, this is the one website, the similar website like Stitch with Google, right? What it will do, what it is doing, it will create the 1 second. Would you like to proceed? Okay, let's proceed. Where I can. Where I can proceed it here. Okay, let's do here only.
Talk about the chat box, it was there.
This one?
No, just now you were trying to type on the chat box, right? Just about
Okay,
that,
okay.
it was there, now it is disappeared.
Okay. Yeah, now it is creating it. It will create the screens. The same way, right? This is also one kind of website. For example, you wanted to create professional invoice generator, some applications, right? It will be very easy. Like, if you ask it, it will create the screens for you, and you can see the visually. Like, if you have some thought you wanted to share with someone else, like, you can directly use this and share it with the designs with them. So it is going to help them, like, okay, what we are thinking, and those things it will be. Okay, mapping route components. Okay, it is creating it, right? Okay, it is creating UX flows. You can see like this. It is whatever the visualization that you have, you will be able to showcase with others. That is the one more thing. So you can see. So I just gave the invoice generator, right? So just simple prompt, it gave me the screens actually. So how the mobile app should be. So this is very helpful, right? If you wanted to showcase something, if you just describe an idea, it automatically help you and create the screens. So this website designer.flutterflow. So probably this is one also from Google actually. Flutter is the Google one, but yeah, I don't know who developed this. But Google Stitch with Google is a website that was developed by the Google, not developed by the Google. They acquired the application from someone else. There is a Galileo AI website is there. So they acquired this and make it as a Stitch with Google. So that is what they did. If you see, let me show it here. I can select this. Once it generated, right? We can able to see this. Yeah. So you can see how the screens are coming. Even if you develop it manually, right, you will not able to do this accurately actually. So you can see how accurately they are giving it actually. So this way, like, if you wanted to do something, creation is very easy. Just idea is very important now. So like this, you can create a mobile apps, desktop apps, everything that you can create it. And the similar way, this one also. Probably you can ask some questions as well to change this. That is also going to help. These are the ways. These two ways are very important. Keep that in mind. And the next one is 21st Dev. There is a website actually. Where is this? There is a 21st Dev. There is a website. What it will do is, if you see, there are many websites. For example, here one thing I can tell you, this is a component based library, like 21st century components actually, UI components. It will be lot of UIs will be there here. Whatever you want, you can select it. So for example, this one, to see this kind of cards, right? If you want these kind of cards, if you like these cards, just copy the prompt. And if you give it to the Claude or ChatGPT or anything, it will create the cards like this. So generally, we don't know, right, how to write a prompt for this to create this much elegant layout. But they are helping us to, if you copy this prompt, and it will help you to write it in the same way. Okay, this is why this is also very useful. If you are developing a web application or something, use this 21st.dev. And the next thing is Napkin AI. This is also a website, like, but yeah, I don't have much time now. We have just 5 more minutes. Yeah, one more thing that I can tell you. So people are who wanted to know the latest news and everything, right? So every day you can come to the GitHub once. So whatever people are developing it, right? Once again, there it is. You go to the dashboard. I will go this one, ma'am. There is some. Um, okay, let's go with the trend shift. I will go here only. 1 second. There is a trend shift website is there. Okay. So what it will do is whatever which are happening in the IT industry, like what people are developing it as a open source repositories, right? You can see, you can come up here. If you come up here, what it will do is whatever the repositories which are trending on the GitHub, right? So that will come up here actually. So you will be able to understand, like if you see this is the trending now. If you open it and if you ask this Claude, right, what exactly this and how can I use it? Then it is going to help you. But these are all the, if you see, this is the 124, 126K stars actually. So this is very useful repo probably. Like that, whatever which are trending in our daily life, you will be able to come up here and you will be able to find it out. And so here now, okay, GitHub trending repositories, yeah. So like this. So out of all the repos, right, this is the one which is top. So what is there in this? You can try it out. What exactly which is there? Like this, lot of trending repositories that you will be able to find out. You don't need to go anywhere and you will be able to find it here only. Okay. So like this, you can do a lot of things. Yeah. In the interest of time, we have is 6 minutes more. Like, if you have any questions, first of all, thank you so much for KSR Data Vision for conducting this session. Yeah. So do you have any questions? Mahesh, do you want to speak anything on this?
No, I'm good. Thanks, Jane. Thanks for taking this session. So I just want to make with the frequent industry experts, and even today evening we have one more session on Power Platform interview questions apart from your regular trainer. So I want to just a cross training because the same team, right? Like maybe they are working with a similar project and you are already seeing. So I just want to exposure with a different kind of mentors. It may helps you to get a more exposure. Even I'm just promoting like don't stay with the same project for long run, right? Similar way here also to just to make a little change. To secure our job, like the two ways, guys. Like I'm frequently explaining to the students already in our placement cell session. So don't stay for a long run with the same kind of your day-to-day works. It should be different. So anyone will agree with this here, or else any questions here? Why I'm saying like don't stay with the same project for long run? Anyone, team?
You won't be able to learn anything new. You will be stuck in the same technology.
Yes,
So
that's one
we
thing.
have to keep on evolving.
Exactly. But compared to that, the more financial point of view, what will happen after a couple of days, team may think like instead of you, maybe your salary now, example, I am saying like 10 lakhs. So by next 4 years, you are in the same project and same team. On average, every year it's a 10%. Your package will be going for a 15 lakhs. Even after 4 years, 5 years or something, or else 14 lakhs. Team assume like instead of paying 14, 15 lakhs to you, they can hire 2 people and can do the same job. There is no like 5 years back what you did same thing now also, right? When they fired you in that time, mostly like last of layoffs, everything we are analyzing, it's happened most of the cases, not most of the cases, 80% cases they got laid off only the people who are working with the same company or same project or same work more than 3 to 5 years. If suddenly you got laid off and what we are not even aware what have to be done now, right? At least if you are changing, that not mean you have to be changing the company every year, but at least the task, whatever your work did this year, at least you have to be graded in a next step, a little more the next year. If you are doing same task like morning 9 to 5, maybe it will be relaxed wise where currently, but at long run it will be risky. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, Jayant, I have a question for you.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, you are a full stack Python developer, right?
I'm a front-end developer, yeah.
Yeah, front-end developer. So along with that, you have AI tools, exposure and experience also.
Yeah.
Right. So
Yeah.
when you apply for any post, any interview or anything, so how you will project yourself? Like you will do, you are a front-end developer, and along with that, you have exposure to these areas, AI areas, and even in the interviews also, will they expect you to develop any application or anything using these AI tools to speed up the activities, or how they will expect?
Yeah, for sure. Like, now writing, to be honest, in the past 1.5 year, I did not write a single line of code. Okay. Other than my trainings. Okay. It's even single line of code because, I mean, the way that we need to use, still now I just showed the tools, right? But how to use these tools with the skills and everything I did not told you. Okay, so if you configure the tool very well, like you don't need to write a single line of code. Not now, in the future, you don't need to write a single line of code. You have to build the projects. If you go to the interview, in the first 10 minutes, if you tell some project that you build it, definitely there is some discussion which is going to happen on that project. They are going to ask the questions on that project instead of what he prepared it, right? So you can convert that. So generally, what I will do in the interviews, right, wherever I go it, so always the first thing I will tell about myself. It will be around 5 minutes.
Yes.
From my portfolio, they will ask some questions. Another 5 minutes will be completed. From there onwards, if they start one question, right? What I will do is at the end of every question answer, I will touch one point that I know. Okay, that's something new I know, right? So for example, if they ask it like, how you develop this, so yeah, I use this AI tool, something that they don't know, they definitely ask about that question. And the way that we are converting the interviewer into a different aspect, what he prepared, and we are converting them to the different aspect. Like that, we can control the interview and what questions that they can ask. So if they come up with the 2 coding questions, we need to convert them into only 1 coding question, because 2 coding question solving is very difficult. One is very good, right? You can solve it. Like that, you have to expose yourself. That's why you have to build the projects. Maybe in the future, right? Maybe with the KSR Data Vision, I will conduct a few more workshops where we will create a real end-to-end project with the help of AI in the 2-hour workshop. So we'll take one idea. So how we will brainstorm it, how I will proceed, how I will write the prompt, what are the skills that I will configure, all these things in on the live. We can do one project. So like that we can do.
So you said that for the past 1.5 years, you are not haven't write any code. Mostly you'll use the AI tools for any logic, right? So in that contest, if they ask in the interview, if they ask any questions related, means if they want any logic, can you write the so and so, like can you explain so and so logic? If they say like that, so will it be like is it okay that? So for this, most of the I will give so and so prompt and I will get the logic. If I say that one, will they accept that?
No, they will not accept that, because still the market was not changed. In the future, it is going to change the way that interviews will take. But still, people many people are not using the AI because these AI tools are very costly now. Everyone cannot afford it, right? That is where the bridge is not full stable now. Like many people, how everyone will play. For example, they are getting 30,000 salary. How they can pay 2,000 or 3,000? 2,000 is not enough, to be honest. I am using $100 plan, so that is also not enough for me sometime. So how it is going to enough, right? That's where the problem actually. But yeah, in future it is going to change. The only thing is, right, first of all, instead of using the AI, you have to learn the concepts first. For example, if you are going for Python, first of all, learn Python, how exactly it will work. From there onwards, if you have a understanding it, right? So you can directly write a prompt and you can do it. Now, the benefit that I have is I know the concepts. I worked in the real time. I wrote the code and all these things. Now, if something was AI is not able to do, I will do it manually. I will go and I will find the issue and I will do it manually.
Yeah.
That confidence you should have, that you need to build, then you can start using the AI. First, learn the course, okay? And learn it in all the concepts, how exactly the things will work. Instead of coding, right? Understand how the languages will work. So then you will be able to write these things.
Yeah. Even I am also into automation testing, and mostly I develop macros using the Excel and VBA Selenium. So there, some of the areas like we will reuse the code, and wherever we need any syntax, right, then only we'll go for ChatGPT and Copilot. Left and right, we will use that. So I have a question that, so when we go for an interview, how we need to project ourselves?
We should have an idea, but yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Jayant, actually have a simple question. See, are you trained on this, or it is manually evaluated over the process?
Yeah, over the process, I evaluated like a lot of things. Still, I have 20 more tools that I need to show, but the time is already at 12 now. But I have tried my best to give the not done showcasing top. Like I wanted to give the full details. I tried a lot, but yeah, still I have few more AI tools that I generally use regularly. Yeah. I
And
exploded.
one more suggestion I need to see, I'm a data engineer. See, I want to learn AI course, see, Gen AI and agentic AI. So I need a suggestion from you. Is it a good time to start on that?
Yeah, obviously, already this KSR Data Vision has I can tell you one thing about KSR Data Vision, maybe you don't know about. KSR is like a one person, he's a AI expert. He started in 2016 or something in the training. So from there onwards, he started it and he made that as an institution, and they are giving the training on AI. So you can consult with KSR Data Vision. They are doing very good job. Almost they trained 10,000 students. You can take the demonstration, but this is the correct time actually. If you do, always I say one thing, for starting anything, what is the correct time? Today only. If you don't start today, you're not able to start tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. If you wanted to build something, you can start today. If you have any questions, you can reach out us. Even though if they are irritating, don't worry. You have to ask. Once you learn the things, you don't need to be scared for anything. One thing I will tell, maybe tomorrow, if AI is completely replacing, if the AI is replacing me as well, I don't care, because I have a confidence that I can build something. I know the technology, so I can build something. So it is not going to replace you, but yeah, for
No,
sure.
obviously it's not going to replace. We have to debug AI again if something goes wrong.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, definitely you need to start now. Take the decision today. Don't delay it for anything. Not only this, anything. If you wanted to start something, you can do it. We can conduct one more sessions like how can we use the AI as well. Exactly like building the projects and everything. We'll work on that as well. Yeah. Tell me, Spandana.
And one thing, Shravan, like you are said, like you already data engineer, right? And maybe you are aware, like it's a frequently evaluating the new concepts. Maybe if you are a data engineer, I'm not sure which cloud you are using, either Azure, AWS, GCP, Snowflake.
At present I'm using GCP actually.
GCP. So similar way, like expand with the multiple clouds. Azure also it's have the more demand after that AWS. Within the Azure, we got a fabric, and the data engineering point of view, there is a concept called LM and RAG, which is a AI. So that AI data engineering already we are teaching from almost in 6 months onwards. And the curriculum, right, like in a KSR point of view, not from KSR point of view, I will explain from the student point of view. Whatever companies are expecting now, we have to be learned there.
Yep.
It's not like what we know, we can't go with those skills only with a resume. So we have to be evaluate and we have to be modify our skill set frequently, what companies are expecting. You just open your Naukri and check it randomly data and what kind of skills companies are expecting.
Okay.
So that's sufficient. Like even for these kind of things, we build a couple of AI tools. Even the KS are not just a training institution or something. We build a couple of applications for a mock interviews. It's called Clear My Interview. I will share with you that link shortly. And also the portfolio. Particularly, I thought to conduct one session only on the portfolio because we are not like someone said like a PR. The personal branding is more important nowadays. We have to be showcase our profile like how skilled we are, not just using Instagram or like on a YouTube or Facebook. We have to use our LinkedIn account to portray ourselves with what skills you have. It's like in your social media platform, like your personal branding is there.
Yes, exactly.
And also the projects, whatever you've done, the projects we have to be showcased. Here, I just want to answer one question from Anusha. Anusha is texting from almost 1 hour. Sorry, Anusha, for the delay. I heard like you said like you completed your BSc computers, but later done MBA. Because of that, you are not getting calls. I'm not sure who said that is completely false information. If you are able to open your mic and could you please tell me like what exactly happened in your case? I will share you a couple of profiles who completed their graduation in agriculture BSc and got a job in Deloitte and some other IT companies as a data scientist.
Sir, అంటే నేను
చెప్పండి తెలుగులో అయినా
జాబ్స్ కి ATS త్రూనే రిజెక్ట్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. సో
No, ma'am. It's maybe I need to check your resume, maybe మీ Naukri and మీ LinkedIn చెక్ చేయాలి. నేను మీకు కొన్ని ప్రొఫైల్ చెప్పిస్తాను. ఒక పర్సన్ మేబీ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ నేను ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తాను. అమ్మాయి ఇక్కడే హైదరాబాద్లో బీకామ్ చదువుతుంది. సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్న్గా జాయిన్ అయింది. అంటే ఆ టైంలో మాకు కొంచెం గ్రాఫిక్ డిజైనర్ అవసరం ఉండి హైర్ చేసుకున్నాం. తర్వాత మహేష్ నేను డేటా సైన్స్ నేర్చుకుంటానంటే ఇక్కడే డేటా సైన్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసింది. షీ వాజ్ ద హైయెస్ట్ salary got in the entire college of the it's Avinash Akka College of Commerce. Tande ఆ కాలేజీలో చదువుకుంది. బీకామ్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయేసరికి తను 7 lakhs ప్యాకేజ్ వచ్చింది. బీకామ్ కంప్యూటర్స్, బీఎస్సీ కంప్యూటర్స్ కాదు, బీకామ్ ఎంబీఏ కూడా లేదు. అలానే అగ్రికల్చర్ బీఎస్సీ చేసి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు చాలామంది ఉన్నారు. సరే వాళ్ళందరినీ ఎవరికంటే నాది డిగ్రీ బయోటెక్నాలజీ. I completed my graduation BSc Biotechnology and MSc Organic Chemistry. My initial career started in a pharma company called Microlabs. Unfortunately, all you people here, 110 are there, or 90 people, 95 people are there now. All these people are using my medicine called Dolo 650.
Okay.
So we manufactured that Dolo
I am
650
also
tablet.
mechanical engineer actually.
That is made by Microlabs actually. So initially, even a lot many challenges. Some people said it's not easy for you to enter into the IT. Some people encourage me. No, Mahesh, there is no logic like it should be only IT employee. Anyone can enter into the IT. Some people demotivate me also with a chemistry degree. How you can get a job in IT? But I don't have an option at that time. It's not like I'm motivated or something. I need to enter into the IT due to my financial issues or like social issues. I have to be enter into IT. Maybe Telugu people can understand easily why IT is more important in the Telugu states.
Yep. For me also, it
It's a
was the
brand.
same case. Actually, I prepared for civil services. It's not like wasting my time. I gathered so many things over there, but eventually I failed to crack it. Later, I came into IT. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even
So
I am
that's
into
what-
mechanical engineer actually. I am a mechanical engineer. So they later started.
For Telugu people, IT is a brand actually.
Yeah.
You
No,
can't
it's
get
not
married
like
like you are
that.
not into the IT.
See, the cost of living has gone up. The things that can be paid from IT is enough for us. Actually, that's the main reason I think most people are coming this side, especially
No,
from
no.
Telugu
It's
area.
become in the villages also like you have to be into the IT sector to get married also.
Yeah. That's purely financial reasons, actually. Well, to be frank, it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Two more people raise the hand. Maybe we can answer
Yes.
them.
And Anusha, maybe if you still have any questions, you can call me. And your portfolio is more matters. It's not about your MBA. Because of MBA, you are not getting calls. It's a lie. So you have to be building a personal portfolio and you have to be apply for the jobs. And you already completed full stack Python, right? Do one thing. Maybe you can text me on WhatsApp or else you can write our email with your resume. We will guide you how to get it opportunities. And it's a completely false information. If anyone said because of MBA you are not getting calls, it's not because of that. So we will validate. I will tell you some stories like not frequently, every alternate day I will conduct a placement cell session. Sometimes my students will join and say like, Mahesh, I'm not at all getting calls. I will tell you one funny example. He was saying like, I'm daily applying but not getting calls. When I open his Naukri and open his resume, there is no mobile number in there. Okay. So, and he was asking me, I'm not getting calls. In another case, like usually after course completion, trainer will give some sample resumes and will tell them first you can make your own resume, later send to support. They will validate and they will tell you like any corrections required. Similar case, like one student sent my resume. While validating, my mentor got a doubt on this resume and called me, Mahesh, this is happened. How they don't have, you are spending little bit time. We are giving this sample resume. They have to be spend some time on the resume and they have to know what kind of skills we are using in the resume. But he sent me like, just he didn't spend even 1 minute. I asked him, how you got to know? See, his name is Venkatesh and his father name mentioned as a Sharif. So he taken some sample resumes and simply changed the name and he sent to me. Okay, it's not like I'm just criticizing something. We are not giving proper time for our profiles. We are just assuming by uploading into the Naukri, we'll get a call. We have to be apply for the jobs, right? So, and also the portfolios also, I will show you a couple of one portfolio to you. She was also from agriculture.
మాక్సిమం
BSc.
కంపెనీస్ ఇప్పుడు అంటే బీటెక్ వాళ్ళని హైర్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు సార్.
లేదండి,
నాది
అమ్మాయి
నెక్స్ట్
అగ్రికల్చర్ బిఎస్సి. షీ హాస్ డన్ అగ్రికల్చర్ బిఎస్సి.
అలా ఏం లేదండి, మీరు మీ కన్సెప్షన్ అది.
సో తన ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. తన అగ్రికల్చర్ బిఎస్సి అంటే ఎవరు నమ్మరు.
Hi everyone, I am Neema. Today let me start by giving a brief background of my project, fraud detection analytics and monitoring dashboards. In today digital bank,
I don't want to waste your time, so I will share you a couple of portfolios. You can check it later. And there are a lot many students in the KSR also like came from a non-IT backgrounds. Even my agenda is main in that. I focused on that. Any non-IT student want to enter into the IT, I am trying to focus on that part particularly. Without any faking the experience, I'm openly telling here because most of the people know about what people are doing. But explaining again, Anusha, if you got any other opportunity, even in a different domain, first join that company. Don't assume like I have to be do only full stack Python job your first way. Getting in a job is more important. Later you can focus on your other careers by learning the things, right?
Okay.
Example like I said, right, I initially done in a pharma company. That experience helped me. First 3 years will be learning age. Don't assume like I have to be earn more at this place. Example, you got a job as a telecaller or as a BPO in some XYZ company just for 15,000 salary. You will going to be learn there how to communicate with your clients, how to approach, what will be the team, how many people will work in the team, how to interact with them. All these going to be learned in the first 6 months. After 6 months, showcase this experience and apply for the jobs now. Example, I'm saying like it's not mean you have to be joined for a non-IT immediately, but if you got an opportunity, don't miss that.
Okay, sir.
And a similar way, don't lose your goal, your ultimate goal to become as a full stack developer and apply for those jobs. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Kajal, आप बोल सकते हैं आपका Kajal आप.
We have Mahesh. We have 2 more questions from Spandana and Shashank.
Jayant, just one more thing. Can you share this recording at the end of the session?
Yes, I already sent the record in the link to you. It's streaming in the YouTube also. I shared in the chat. Check it, guys.
Okay, probably you can check it in the WhatsApp also. Probably they will watch it. Yeah.
Kajal, it's done, I guess. Sagar.
Thank you.
We have questions
we will
from.
send the sheet in the WhatsApp group and in our channel also. I will send you that link to you, Sagar.
Yeah.
And also that clear my interview also. Maybe if you want, I can share now. This completely tool built by our team only. Maybe that link I will share with you. And anyone want to give a try like attending an interview?
Mahesh, we have 2 more questions probably. Shashikant and Spandana. We can take that.
Shashikant also. Okay.
Yeah, Shashikant and Spandana.
Jayant?
Yeah.
Jayant, in this session, you have told about different AI tools. So while discussing on those tools, you have shared one document. If possible, could you please share that? Because getting
obviously.
the knowledge on different tools, we are a little bit confused with that document.
We will share that link.
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah, for sure. Like.
Jayant, I guess Spandana sent to you only personal message. I'm not able to see here any message from Spandana.
Like she raised the hand.
Okay,
Yeah,
right.
Jayant.
Spandana, you can ask me.
Yeah, Mahesh. Actually, Mahesh, previously, one of the interview I have last week, they asked me, so there are reporting tools like Tableau, Click, Cognos is there. So now we are using Power BI. So you don't need to create manually. So I need to do with AI. So tell me how to do this. So
for Power
at
BI
that
already
time, I
built
was
inbuilt AI is there like called Copilot.
I said the same thing, but they said no, not that one. So completely migration from Click to Power BI. So nothing manual. Like that they asked. That's why Jayant, any tool like that, complete migration will be there like that.
Yeah, probably like, there is no complete tool for doing the migration, but definitely these Claudia and these things will help you to do the migration. Because these tools are generic purpose, like it should solve all the problems. So it will help you. I tried to migrate the data from MySQL to the MongoDB. So it helped me. Like that only, you have to do some exploration. Probably we have to discuss the scenario, what exactly that you wanted to do, how the data is there, how you wanted to do that. So that we can suggest the things.
Yeah, we'll do one thing like Spandana. I will arrange a session with the expert on data analytics and data engineering by either with Babu or else Santosh, particularly on your topic, how to migrate from other visualization tools to the Power BI with the AI itself. Only with that, it may not easy, but maybe they are expecting to a deep explanation, I guess. But I will arrange another session in the next week. Because Microsoft have a very huge ecosystem, right? So that's the reason companies are migrating from other visualization tool to the Power BI now.
Yes. But currently what the situation is, in my current project also, they are looking for Cognos to Power BI. They're also doing the same thing. They asked me the same question. So that's why continuously I'm getting same one. So how to do this? Because all are going to migrate with Power BI only.
Okay.
So whatever the previous tool, Tableau, or it's like a Cognos, or it's like a Click, whatever it will be. Their ultimate tool was Power BI itself.
Okay. They are asking any single AI tool for entire migration. Entire migration won't happen with just a single tool usually.
Yeah, entire they're asking because someone created in my project, somebody created like they're using some generative AI and calling API calls and they
Yes,
done
yes.
something like that.
That's what there is some complete process, step by step. They have to be do. First, we have to be get the access for the old dashboards, which in the ClickView or ClickSense.
Yeah, like that they're asking because in the Click they have script layer, ETL and everything, but in the Power BI
Exactly.
we don't have that much. So if
No,
I
no,
put
we have in Power BI, we can do with the Cortex and Vortex AI. There is one tool, so we can able to do with the 50 to 60%, not 100%. We can't do with any one single tool for sure.
Okay.
But for this separately one workshop we will conduct for you people. You are in a recent batch, huh?
Yes, yes, and recent batch
Okay.
and
We will.
current batch also I was there, but I
Okay.
continuously I'm getting this one. That's why I'm
Okay.
reaching out.
It's a good before completing you are attending the interviews. That's good actually. So we will take it up as in a workshop. Huh?
Yeah,
We
this
will
is completely definitely next
please share all these interview questions in your group. Someone will be get benefited with that. Okay.
Yeah, sure, Mahesh. This is an error. Next time, this is only comes. Every Power BI data analyst will get the same question.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
we
Any
have to
other
take the
questions,
question from
guys?
Shashikant.
Yeah, Shashikant,
please.
you have anything? Shashi, are
Is
you there?
Probably he left, I think so.
Okay, some more charts it seems. Nikhil. Okay. Yeah,
Okay,
documents
then-
links we will share in the group, Anusha.
Yeah,
All these
sure.
ones we gathered. Janaki, you have anything? There.
Yes, Mahesh. Jayant shared the good knowledge on different AI tools. Actually, I am the new to the AI. So just I am reading the documents.
Okay.
So last 1 month onwards, I got to know what is the LLM models, how are fine tuning the models. So as per the organization requirements, how those just now we discussed that Gemma and Llama deployments is happening like similar like Docker. So currently I'm working as a data engineer in legacy systems, just pipeline issues, deployments, change deployments, problem management, incident management. So these things and all we are handling here currently. So I want to equip it different data engineering skills, like as you discussed, Azure, Databricks, or Snowflake, or Redshift, whatever it may be. So to survive in AI era, what are the skills I need to equip? How to get the job? Last 8 years onwards, working in a current organization. So I want to prolong
I
my
guess
IT
you are already
career.
student here, right, Janaki? I guess in a data engineering or not?
No, as of now, I didn't
There we are
register.
already teaching actually LLM and RAG models for AI, cloud AI engineering.
Okay.
So we will share, we'll plan like next week we are conducting one workshop from the Santosh on the only Databricks. There we will plan what are the AI concepts also we can cover.
Really, these sessions are very helpful, Mahesh. Actually, I am dead zero on technologies. So I am focusing because of your free sessions. So I need to pay and I want to learn something from your organizations
No,
now.
that's fine.
Going
That's
for
fine.
yeah, but this is very helpful. Whoever is want to learn new things and get settled in financially, equip their personal lives as well. So thank you,
Thank you
Mahesh.
so much.
Thank you, Jayant.
Jayant,
thank you so
maybe you
much.
can close your WhatsApp. It's a screen
Okay,
sharing.
I'm in WhatsApp. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing something.
Okay, no worries, no worries.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, we'll conduct a workshop almost every week, guys, like different topics, like depends on the technologies, like a Power Platform in the evening, next week on the Databricks, and another workshop by Jayant in upcoming weeks. Every week almost we will conduct a free workshop. There is no paid. So maybe assuming like 90 rupees, 99 rupees, these kind of workshops, I am not planning. It should be completely free. Next week will be 3 hours workshop only on Databricks, and it will be also free. Maybe who are data engineers or else who are already working as a data analyst, the Databricks topic will be useful for you people. You can join that sessions. We will
Mahesh, if you provide these free sessions, right, people will go and write it and they will ask AI to get the coding also, they will execute it. But your organization institutes, students will be going to lose, right? That is what.
No,
But
sir,
anyhow,
like
you are
it's not in
doing
that
good.
way. So I will assume like I will feel more happy when students texted me, Mahesh, I got a job.
That's correct.
not
Yeah.
when they pay
That
you.
is very helpful actually. Yeah. In
So
personal.
our motto will be like, because I know the concept, like when I don't have a job, when I am working in non-IT, when I enter into the IT, when my salary increases, it's not about only my career is increased, my entire family position was increased. So I will assume like it's not about a one person's career, it's an entire family's career. So I will make sure like while suggesting also, example, Janaki, you've called me and saying like, Mahesh, my current package is 22 lakhs. I want to learn Power BI. I will say no. Power BI is not that much suitable to you because your package is already crossing the saturation point.
Yeah, very helpful, this guidance also.
Because you are interested and I can't give the admission directly to the Power BI, let's get the some fees from you. Because after attending, if you are not getting calls, it will be the negative name for me also, and even I can't feel that happy. So that's the reason we can't encourage like unnecessary things. What are the required and only for those. Yesterday one student called me and asking like, I want to join Fabric. Fabric is not complete course. It's only some of workshops is available for free in our channel. Just go and take there. You don't need to pay for that.
Hey, Jayant, one question for you.
Yeah, sure.
So, you, as in the class, you told agentic AI not evolving currently, right? So, if the agentic AI come into picture, adopts organizations, so there is a chance to lose the support kind of activity jobs, like full stack developers also doing some website issues or some connection issues like that. Manually they are checking, right? So those jobs, and data engineer production support issues, some other manual things, these things are also going to lose, right? Those jobs.
Yeah, I will tell one thing regarding this, like, not only support or anything. If you see, the entire website is building by the AI. Okay, so we just need to guide that. So earlier, for that to build that website, it is taking me for 1 year. Now I'm able to do it in 1 month. So then we will feel like, okay, it is going to replace me. No, whoever is not using the AI to do these workflows, right? It is going to replace, even though support tickets and everything, right? We are also automating it, but still, a person has to configure all these things, and even though you configure it, it is not going to solve the full problem. So it's not going to replace the humans, but it will probably, if it is going to full extent, then maybe it will reduce the number of people who are not actively using the AI. That is the one thing. Nowadays, you don't need to develop a model every time. You can use the models and do the work to simplify the process. That is what you wanted to be in the market. Definitely, you have to learn the tools.
For example, a company using legacy system, they are not using any models. So they want to build AI models based on the current trend, but cost is more than what they are using legacy. That scenario, people will choose legacy only, right? That means organization will choose legacy system.
Probably no. I don't know how it goes actually. People are going for the budget or not. If you see the Oracle, they did the layoff. Why they did the layoff is they did not did the layoff because they don't have work, right? They wanted to invest some amount on the AI instead of paying they don't have enough budget. So if they are paying to the people, they are not able to invest on the AI, they will lose in the market. That's why they lay off some of them and they invested on the AI. That was happened. So everyone is ready to invest on the AI, but yeah, based on the company and the systems also. Yeah.
Sir, it's a kind of transition time. Like maybe if you are going for the back, like manufacturing sector is evaluating, like industrial sector. At that time, there is a transition period. Some people lost their jobs and some people generated new jobs after a couple of years. Maybe if you watch the very old movies of the communist ideology, so introducing new material also, like new equipments also, they are denying. If you remember that old days, maybe if you watch any old movies in the communist point of view, maybe in Telugu some old movies is there, when they are introducing some machinery in the factories, they are opposing the laborers at the time. Now our situation also similar way. But who are adapting that one, and usage will be increased and will generate new jobs also. So no need to be worried about AI will take it all the jobs. AI will create a new jobs also.
The only thing that I can tell is everyone, right? So after completing this session, so maybe 1 or 2 months later, if someone asks you something, you should not say no. You should be able to build anything. If I'm a front-end developer, if you give me a Java task, I will fix it right away now. If you give me Python, I will fix it right away. I will take 1 hour to set up the system. I don't know Python, but I can do the setup and I can create an application now only with the help of Cloud. So you should say no to anyone. Like you should not say no to anyone. Okay, that is how you should be. You have to build it like that. Learn the AI tools, use the AI, know what are the things which are existing in the world. So one thing I will tell you, one final thing before closing session, right? So Claude, that is changing the entire world. How many people developed it? How many people who are there in the company? If you search in the LinkedIn, right? So 1,000 people are there in that company. So 1,000 people build that entire model to shake the world. But how many people are using it? Lakhs of millions of people are using it. So always the technology who is developing is limited people, but the people who use the technology is the more people. So you have to use the technology. You don't need to develop another Claude. You can use the technology to make the things better in the real world. ChatGPT, 2,000 employees they did it. And if you see Cursor, 400 employees, Windsurf, 500 employees. All these things, very limited people. So I mean, if I sit for 5 days, 6 days now, I will be able to develop one VS Code. VS Code like that. So now the developing is easy. How you market it, that is very difficult actually. So that's why you should not say to know anyone. Keep that in mind. You will be able to do anything. Okay. So in the future sessions, for sure, I'm going to teach all these things. You will be doing.
So writing articles easy. You need to marketize. Like how you example given Medium or one more given example, right? Yeah.
Don't need to write it. You just go and ask them. It will write it for you. Building your portfolio is one day job
only,
actually.
maybe, sir. Like initial idea, like what topic may be the hottest and how to be what to be right. If you are able to give the proper prompt and the system will give the better article for you. And later, how you are marketing, that is more important. In future, the highest paid people will be marketing guys, not like a developer. Developer anyone can do nowadays.
Yeah, even Jayant and Mahesh keep on telling that we need to showcase, we need to marketize our skills. Those things we need to equip. And AI tools are, you mentioned in a discussion, all companies are not affording due to cost. Maybe probably they will afford in future days. And once
When usage is increasing, right, it will be easy. Imagine like around 10 years back, how much cost for 1 GB of data?
Yeah, the same thing will happen now also. In the future, these prices will go down. Otherwise, people not able to use it. For sure.
Yeah, K is questioning one thing like
to see the DVD movie, 250 rupees.
Now if entire month Amazon Prime, you will get it 299 rupees.
Maybe probably in companies they will afford.
These are some examples, sir. Like I got an thing. Maybe they'll write a Netflix. Netflix, their first business, do you know what they actually started as a Netflix? CD renting company. They used to rent CDs, CD players and all, movies. Now they're running as an like online streaming media. So there depends on the market changes, and they evaluated and they're changing that entire company branding now. And Samsung will be a dry fish. They used to sell dry fish. Wipro is oil, vegetable oils. It's a palm oil. They used to sell palm oil.
Yeah, this way.
So similar way, the companies also to survival point of view, they changed a lot many things in their entire journey. Similar way now we also. So we have to be like people are assuming earlier, like by learning one course, like entire their life we can settle means no, there is no chance now.
We need to equip the skills. We need to satisfy interview.
Yes. Okay, now I have one question here. K, I'm not sure your full name, sir. You are currently working as a SDET. Means maybe I am assuming like you are a software developer testing, right? Is it correct? If you are able to unmute,
Yes.
you can.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And if possible, may know your current pay around. Anyway, your full name is not visible here, so you can able to tell me.
Yeah, 12.
How much? 12 lakhs. Total years of experience?
5.
5 years. Okay. So immediately means I can suggest you go with the data engineering with AI, and the second part you can take it as a data science or AI engineer or ML engineer in future. Good thing with the data will be entire your career you can stay in the data. Other technologies we don't have that much possibility, but within the data entire your lifelong. Now example from testing to you, if you want to move completely, it's a different domain. But data, right? You can start your career as a data analyst. Later you can move to the data engineer, data scientist, AI engineer, ML engineer. cloud engineer, cloud architect, all are relevant subjects. Right? So compared to other, data will be the best option for you, as you are already asking data engineer versus data science. I can suggest you to start with the data engineering initially. All right. Why data engineering in the sense? So usually data science, maybe in a funny example, in a chef, right? There is a restaurant is there. Data scientist will be like a kind of a chef here. He will prepare entire food, like the recipes. The best one will be he is going to be do. The data engineer will be the supply chain management, who are getting all the goodies, what are the recipes is required from the market to the restaurant, right? He used to do. As a testing engineer, that you are going to be test that, right? So it will be easy to enter into the supply chain initially and later into the data science and AI. And another thing, data engineering have a huge market supply demand issue now. So data engineering you can start at this moment, and your next step will be AI engineer, AI and ML after that. Okay, so if you have any questions or doubts here, you can ask me, like, or else you are comfortable with the local language, like Telugu or Kannada or Hindi, I'm able to answer you, sir. The 3 languages for now.
Yeah, got it.
So data engineering will suits you best. Maybe you do one thing, you can ask even ChatGPT the same question if you want. Don't trust only my words. Maybe you can do some research. You can attend both classes wherever you want to join and check it, which one you are able to understand more, and choose that course. Okay.
Yeah, I was actually planning to switch to the ETL.
ETL,
So,
yeah. That's
so
what.
that's what I'm
Data
thinking
engineering
about.
will be the best choice for you.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, we
so
will conduct this N8N make.com workshops also. Surely we are discussing on that. Koti may take at N8N workshop. So we will conduct these two. Thanks, Nikhil, for asking. Okay, Nikhil is done. Raghavendra, you have any questions, sir?
Hi.
Yeah.
I don't have any questions to Jayant,
Mm.
but I really want to thank him for for all the insight he has given.
thank you
I'm,
so much.
I was experimenting with ChatGPT, Claude, and Copilot, and some things in my office, and I'm getting exposure. And now got a lot of other info from Jayant, and I'm really thankful to, to get all those information. My question is to Mahesh.
Yes.
So I'm basically looking for multi-cloud data engineering.
Yeah.
So I'm not from IT background. I'm purely from non-IT background. I got the info from Sunil, who is undergoing training from you right now
Okay.
in multi-cloud
So,
data engineering.
okay. One question, sir. What non-IT means here?
I have zero experience in whatever software or building those kind of things.
You are not using any software so far?
Software I'm using, but
Yeah.
I'm
See,
not.
that's what,
I
like,
don't.
see, nowadays, right, sir, like, why I'm just asking with just in a fun, humorous way. Nowadays, no employee can work without a computer.
Yeah, that is. I've been working
Even
in
a
this company
security
for
guard in front
25.
of a gated community, they are using some applications called MyGate.
Correct. But
So
computer is not an issue.
user and
I'm.
developer may be the difference. And sir, like nowadays, right, don't worry about our background, our degree or our certification. It's not at all a matter what you are going to be learn and what your intention. I said, right, my story, I came from chemistry background. Completely, it's a different.
Okay.
So it's not at all a big deal. If you have a passion and intention, right, like you can able to learn anything.
Sure. Yeah, I understand. That's what the confidence I got from my friend.
So in
No,
my
it's very
career,
good.
good achievements in the sense I transformed a lot many people from non-IT to IT, and one specific guy from a BDS doctor. Still, I
Okay.
remember he only given a suggestion what he can able to mention his resume. I'm not sure why I'm still in confusion why he came from the BDS doctor even after doing in a 3-year service, and he came to the IT. He was a DevOps engineer.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
pharmaceutical people, lot many.
Yeah. No. See, basically, understand your logic. The only thing is, see, we don't know, so that is the small fear we have. But I'm pretty confident, that to put my hard work, and let's see what happens.
Yeah. So we'll do one thing, like if you want just to check the couple of sessions first and try to understand. If you are able to understand, then only you can join the classes. During that time, if you have any questions, you can give me a call and I will try to explain you in a better way, even one-on-one, sir. I will share
Sure,
a
sure. That will be
contact
helpful.
here
That
to
will be
me.
helpful. If you can provide me.
Let me share my contact. Raghavan.
And one more thing, I am already in touch with Satish. He
Okay,
had,
then he will take care.
but I know, but I don't have any free course on this multi-cloud data.
Okay, just June 4th onwards, it's starting like first 5 classes. It's a free only. You can attend that classes. He will
June
guide you how
4th.
to enroll for that.
See,
June
I'm
4th.
particularly looking for morning batch.
Morning, okay. Morning, it's ongoing. Maybe it may takes time, sir. Another 1 to 1.5 months.
1 to 1.5 months, okay. Because the evening at that exact time I'll be working actually.
Okay.
So I'll not be able to attend.
Okay, first check that record sessions will be there, the first 5 lectures, and you can check it, and later maybe we can decide.
Yeah, if you can share me, that will be helpful.
Sure. You can just give a text to Satish. Satish will share all the sessions.
Okay, fine. Oh, I'll do that.
Sure.
And one small fear I have, right now, see, I'm almost 49, so I don't know. Age is a major factor. That's what my worry is,
Yes, not a major, but some level. But usually, what happens, they will expect you like in a lead roles, like a higher management roles, not like just to do the basic topics again.
Yeah, but issue is, see, I have worked in higher management, at least manager level. I have
Then,
worked.
if you know like managing a team, then fine, sir.
Yeah, I have managed more than
Then
15
it's fine. That's
teams.
fine.
Yeah, but only issue is how will I fit, because I would have learned this multi-cloud, whatever the course I take, I would have learned that. So I'll not be an expert. I mean, I might be good at it at some point, I don't know. But what happens if I really, if I put too much in my resume, then there'll be too much of expectation. I don't know whether I'll be able to handle that or not.
No. Data engineering, we are not going to be keep it too much of expectation, and we will manage depends on your previous experience. Like we will manage like only just a couple of years back only moved to the data engineering. Also, I will let you know how it works, because data engineer is this cloud which is Azure. It's not too much famous around 8-9 years back. Also at that time, big data Hadoop is there.
Okay.
So I will guide you like how to make that resume. Here, companies also will expect more from you to handle the team, not rather than that only technical questions.
Okay. That handling team is not an issue, because I have handled a lot of people, hundreds of them at a time. So
Maybe
that's
I will
not an
ask
issue.
one question, sir. In your experience, whether you felt like at least 1 or twice compared to your manager or your boss, you will do better work.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Some people are real dumb people, so I felt I can do much better work. At the same time, some are really good. I had a lot to learn from them, so I never thought I'll be beating
Exactly.
them. So I had both
it's not about a total years of experience. It's about their technical expertise.
Exactly.
Their managing math skills. Some people technically may not stronger, but they are able to manage the things.
Yeah. But only thing is, right now I work in a company where I don't want to name it also.
Yeah, that's fine.
So the management is very gross, but at the same time, my old school management doesn't work there actually. That is the issue.
Okay. Yeah. So we will guide you on that part also.
Sure. So I have to contact Satish for this.
Yes, Satish, you can contact with him.
And regarding today's course, will there be any handouts so that we don't remember everything?
No, the record is already available, and I shared you the link in the chat itself. It's streamed on our YouTube also.
Okay.
I will share the doc also.
Yeah, document will be some, because recording anyway, I was there throughout the thing, so I just need to remember.
Satish also will share this link if you want.
Sure. Satish is there on the thing?
Yeah, Satish in the class maybe. You can text him in the WhatsApp.
Sure. I'll do that.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Deepak, you have any questions, sir? Thank you, Raghavan. Deepak Jadavji, you have any questions?
Yeah, so currently I'm working as a data analyst, so I just wanted to upgrade my career. So which platform would be good? So whether it's a Power Platform or data engineering, I'm keen to work on data engineering side.
The
But
Power
I just your opinion.
Platform is fine, sir, but it's again depends on your package. Example, your package is already crossing 20 lakhs. I will suggest to go with the data engineering. Your package is just 10-12 lakhs or something, then Power Platform also is fine. But you are ready to learn code and you are okay to take a little bit challenge, blindly go with the cloud data engineering.
So actually the thing is I'm coming from as I'm not a coding guy. So I haven't learned any coding, but somehow I switched my job from non-IT to IT, and I'm quite earning good amount. As I can say that I'm in a
15 around
saturation
15 to
point.
20
Yeah.
in between maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
saturation
we already
point.
made it 2 steps, sir. Like one more step now. That's it.
Yeah. So first thing, do I need to go for data engineering? And
Data
second
engineering.
is, then second, what are the courses we have in our KSR data vision? So I need some details.
Sorry. Yes, sir. You can carry on.
Yeah. So just I wanted to know about this thing, like what are the courses we have in KSR data vision? Because in the market, like there are many things are going. I don't want to go with that. I already joined one of course. I don't want to give the name, but I was not satisfied with that. So yeah. I think you are in a mute.
Here also, if you are not satisfying with the classes, better don't join anywhere, even either KSR. What I can suggest you, like you can check the at least 1 week sessions for the live session. It will be completely free, and you can check the trainers. Most of the cases, I don't want to name any institution. What they will do, the best trainer they will take for the first 10 days or 1 week or 15 days. Later they will change the different trainers. Some cases. So initially we felt like okay, the teaching style is good. Later maybe they are changing the trainer. We will feel bad about that. So here the complete trainer will be going to be take one course with one trainer only. So you can check the sessions, couple of sessions, first 5 week at least. After that, check with any projects available for any YouTube or else like they have able to share the record. Check these classes and then you can take a decision. Don't make it in a rush way. Example in KSR, right? This is our website. You can just click on the login. Here under courses, you can see upcoming sessions. All these are upcoming sessions. There your data engineering will be where it is. I guess it's in the next month, right? Maybe it's missed here. So data engineering will be there. You can just enroll there, or else you can just enroll here also. Apache and Kafka is a similar concept. You can just enroll here. You can enroll first 1 week sessions. After attending 1 week classes, then you can take a decision whether you can continue or not, the teaching style and everything. And also the 5 classes records is available. You can check those classes and then take a decision, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for that. And what are the prerequisite we need? Like I know
We will
SQL
teach
and
from very scratch, Deepak ji. Deepak, maybe you have our team contact. If not, like I'm sharing my contact, you can just give me a missed call also. Our team in touch with you. This is a generic number. I'm giving the text here. You can check 5 classes. 5 classes will be free here. If still have any doubts, you can ask them like to share any projects which conducted frequent previous batch. Take those classes and check the classes quality, and then you can proceed further.
Yeah. Thank you.
Meanwhile, check some other institution also. Go there and check their classes and check their quality. And whichever you felt it's good, only
No,
join them.
I have good amount of experience now because one or two institute I fooled because they have the different marketing skills. In that marketing skills,
Yes.
they made me fool. So I don't want to go into that, but it's a
Yes,
learning
yes.
curve for me. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak. Any questions, team? Anyone? Okay, Nikhil, you have anything?
This was a great session I had today. And now, as of now, I completed my BTech second year. So I'm entering my third year. So I guess it is right time or it is already late. I'm not sure. So what other skills should I go with? Like
Okay.
many are saying, like when I ask seniors, DSA, web development, so etc. etc. Should I follow the same path or any other path should I follow?
Here,
Like,
your interest also matter, Nikhil. It's a not late. Whatever happened, it's fine. But you are in a good stage now. In the second year, you want to learn. Our ultimate goal will be before entering into the final year in the campus, we need to try at least 6 months of internship genuinely, not like a buying internships.
yeah, yes, sir.
So the
Understood.
genuine internships for that, like it's not about only like by applying for the jobs only. There are some freelancing projects also we can get it. There are a couple of websites are there. We will guide you like where we can get it. Example, you are interested with the developing web development and all. You are passionate and you have some interest on that. Go with that. You are interesting about more into the AI development. AI means here not about using a ChatGPT kind of tool. It's a developing another ChatGPT that is actually learning AI.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right. So it depends on your interest. You can choose blindly. I can't say like go with this course. We have
Okay.
anyway both.
So
Your interest also matters.
as of now, like my interest is like data analyst and AI. Like these both are my interest, but still
Okay.
I didn't go deep in this. So I'm planning to go deep in this both phase. Is
Okay,
it
if you
good
want to go
or
in the deep, right, it's not about only analytics, it should be complete data science with the AI. Because
uh,
data analytics, in the sense, we won't use a machine learning and deep learning, they are only maximum SQL, Power BI, and some clouds, and maybe Python. But
yes,
what happened in the real time, jobs for freshers for data analysts will be less than data scientists.
okay,
And AI will be everywhere now. There is no course without AI in the KSR now. From front
yes,
end,
sir.
back end, full stack, data science, data engineering, DevOps, everything with AI only.
Okay, okay.
So it's your
So,
passion and interest. Like you are enjoying to build an application and website and blindly go with the full stack.
okay,
You are enjoying like a building dashboards, understanding business and making like some decisions and all something. Go with the data science and AI. Do one thing, you can check both classes, and Jayant is going to be handle front end point, back end. There is one more trainer. Tomorrow we have a session. Attend all these classes, first 1 week sessions. Anyway, it's free. Then you can
okay.
take a decision.
Like where can I get these classes? In your website?
Yes,
Or
yes. Our website, it's there. Let me share again. Go to our website. There in the upcoming sessions, full stack. Yeah, this is the course. Okay. I will
okay,
share you
Power
the
Data
link.
Analytics and Generative AI.
Yeah, this is a full stack Python developer. If you want only data analytics also, it's there under upcoming
Okay.
sessions. You can check it, your wish.
Oh, like these are live classes or recorded classes? Like
Live
is it
classes, live classes. First means the records will be there. First 5 classes will be live classes. Tomorrow
okay,
morning, I guess 9:30 we have a session. I will share you link here.
okay,
Okay,
sir.
or else
I'll
you can
go through
approach
it.
our team. They will guide you.
Okay, sir.
I sent you the my number also. You can check it.
Yes, sir. I noted your number. I'll call you.
Okay, okay, great.
Okay,
So
thank you.
you can take a decision like you are which one you are enjoying more. That will be actually it will
Yeah,
help you to
like actually, like last 1 year, I tried in web development. So I'm interested in that, but I'm not able to
Mhm.
completely involve me.
Mhm. Maybe you may not focus properly. If you are interested in web developing, you can go with that. That's just also have a good demand.
Yes, sir.
But how you are making that uniqueness, you have to be showcased.
Yeah, that is true.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, sir.
And even nowadays, people are assuming like because of AI, there is no chance to make it web development. AI will do, right? You have any this kind of ideology? AI will
Yeah,
do
like
web development
lovable,
for you.
emergent, like everything is building from scratch
True
overnight.
only, but it's half true. ChatGPT, who developed the ChatGPT, the backend is a different story, but front end again and the web developers, right? That is a web application, right? Even that lovable also it's a web application, right?
Yes, 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 absolutely. Yes.
Then again, you people are required that user interface and user experience to understand, like build an application. That front end people and back end people are still required.
Yeah,
And also
understand.
nowadays, every small company also building their own website, so it will be
Yes,
get
sir.
more jobs.
Yeah, like even the local businesses are also having many websites nowadays.
Exactly, exactly. Even small business, even saloons, right?
Yeah,
So
dentist and this gym,
exactly,
everything. Yeah.
everyone, because it's an affordable price. Even on 1 or 2 pages, you can make it very affordable price. So the business is increasing.
Yes, sir.
When business increase, we'll get a more opportunities.
Yeah, definitely.
People are thinking everything will AI do. Like if everything is AI doing, like when you are not getting money, where you will spend that? When you are not spending, how AI will get money? These are people are simply stating in the messages, AI will take it all the jobs. Just I'm in the loop point of view, I'm saying, guys, if AI will kill all the jobs, like whatever you are earning now, you won't earn because of you are earning money and you are spending somewhere. Example, take it as a Rapido only. So because of you are getting some money and you are using Rapido, or else you are using Myntra, or else you are using like some food, Swiggy, Zomato, whatever it may be. When you are not able to earn money, all these websites, all these applications also will go on. And even these companies also using AI just to make it our work a little easy. That's it. AI can't replace everything. It may generate new jobs. During the transition period, who are in the old school, they may lose opportunities. Okay. Okay, it's a 3 hours, I guess. Maybe your lunchtime on Saturday. Sorry, guys, I'm taking too much time. If you still have any questions, I will be there. You can ask me. I will wait for another
First
8 minutes.
first of all,
Okay.
we need to say thanks to you and for your patience. Actually, for the past 1 hour, you are explaining each and every and answering for everyone. We need to say thanks
Thank you.
to you.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks for your patience.
Mhm. This again recently I made one video on like ATM point of view. Like nowadays no one is using ATM. How it will be their jobs may lost. Yesterday I saw one funny reel. Someone using Saloon for that ATM space. They forget to remove that board. It's become viral in Instagram. That SBI ATM they are someone using for a Saloon now. Nowadays ATM no one is using. They vacated, but they forgot to remove that board. So another was people were occupied and they are using for Saloon. So one jobs may go back and another new job will generate in this era. That's it. There is nothing will happen. The transition period may be a little clumsy, but after a couple of years, everything will again normal. There is a new kind of jobs will evaluate. Right? Okay, guys, then. Any questions, team?
No. Thank you so much, guys, for joining the session. Okay.
Thank you.
I
Thank
hope
you.
you enjoyed it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you both.
Thank you.
Both of
Thank
you.
you, Jay.
Thank you.
Thanks for a
Thank you.
valuable session.
Bye,
Thank you
guys.
so much.